toxic glow. She's dripping poison like gossip at brunch. A sharp bite and you become her lunch. Sexy till you're twitching on the floor. She's smirking in your face, then comes back for more. Bite, bite, baby, better say your prayers. Venom's got stilettos and homicidal flair. She's vicious, delicious, a queen with a sting. The sexiest nightmare you've ever seen. Pucker up, sugar. Mama's venom tastes sweet.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
How's everyone this morning?
I'm fantastic.
That's good. Star?
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 Can't hear anybody. This is not good.
That's not
Oh, she's talking to herself still.
Welcome. Welcome to the shit show. It has started early.
We're already being derailed by Star's great driving of her bus.
The struggle bus has entered the chat.
Struggle bus, are you trying to take us on a different route today?
Please fasten your seatbelts.
I don't think she can hear us still.
Keep your hands to yourself.
Make sure your trays are in their upright position. Our exits are located to your right and left, and always forward. Never go back.
Never backwards.
Your flotation devices, well, fend for yourself.
Yes.
I have sound. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello. Good morning, everybody.
Good
I
morning.
hope you're
Good
having a
morning.
wonderful morning. It is, I've been up all night, so I'm kind of a mess.
Well,
Listen, if you guys want to see my biscuits, because apparently I'm showing my biscuits. I don't know what that means.
yeah.
But if
Show
you
the
want to see my biscuits, you're going to have to pay. You're going to have to
Oh.
To the world according to tomato tits.
yeah. There you go. Pay for the biscuits, baby. Pay for the biscuits.
So stupid.
Hey, Audrey.
You're stupid.
You're stupid.
So stupid.
No, you're stupid.
No, you're stupid.
You're stupid.
Hey, faves. Hey, foggy numbers. Bingo
Hey,
Bonds is in the house. Bingo Bonds.
Yeah. We
What's
got
going
Bingo
on?
Bonds. We got Audrey the Digger. Froggy Numbers. The Wrench.
Hey guys, there's only 9 of you in here. Make sure you hit that like button. Let YouTube know we are here and ready to play bingo.
Yes, we are.
Share.
With prizes.
Share a link to the stream wherever you share your linky things. And
Yeah.
let's get the algorithm to notice that we're here doing it again. Doing
Yeah.
it. Doing it.
Do your wordy things on your pages.
Yeah.
That's right, faves. Showing my biscuits, apparently.
Yes, faves. Stupid already.
Stupid.
We needed that on the card. Oh, you mean, yeah, we need to call 55, actually. So that's fair. 55 has been called. You're stupid.
No cheating with this pre-calling stuff. You guys are going to have to.
We said it a million times. I mean, they didn't
you
ask
always
for it.
say
I
it.
did. They didn't ask for it.
If
I
we say
did.
it when we're not streaming the court case, does that mean that the next time we do, it's an automatic bingo or bingo
Listen,
box?
the chat didn't ask for it. Venom. I did.
Somebody's asking for it.
Yeah.
Did you hear the chaos that happened over on the Mashtardo?
No, what?
Ooh, she accused Tug of being a stalker against Fangirly. Yeah. And then she
Wow.
had to try to cram it back in later, but it was too late. Oh, it's too bad.
Yeah.
It's too bad.
So, Tug did what to give her this opinion that he's stalking her?
Exactly.
Probably
No
nothing.
one knows. No
Like,
one
does he
knows.
even know her name other than maybe?
No, she
Wait.
tagged the wrong person. Apparently, there was another creator, but for some reason, the person put in that it was Tug. And so Tug was like, what fuckery is this? I
Wrong
love
person
it.
to do it to, too. Like,
Yeah,
of all
I
people.
like it. I like it.
Yeah.
yeah.
I mean,
He
it's
just
definitely going to be
invited me
fun.
to a whole new world. He will tear
A
her up.
whole new world.
Jazz hands, Roz. Jazz hands.
What an idiot. So you can, as you
Yeah,
can
seriously.
imagine, the Twitter world went all aflutter. Popcorn was popping like crazy. People were
Oh
trying to
my!
find their hammers.
That is funny. Like,
It is funny.
do these people really think that they're so well known that Tug would even have them in his wheelhouse? Like,
No, but then
she can claim it's a
J7,
mistake all she
J7 doubled
wants.
down and told him and Megan to both go fuck themselves. I was like, oh,
Oh,
this just
well,
keeps getting better and better and better.
Oh, my
that
God.
would explain why I didn't see it, because it seems when Unable Kane seen me in CossyG,
Uh-huh.
I got blocked. And I got blocked again by J7. Like,
People are
J7
sharing it
blocks me,
like
unblocks me, blocks me.
Yeah, people are sharing it like crazy. It's all over the place.
I got
Ooh,
better
both
both
a
of
link
those
from
boxes for me are in the same row. I'm already 2 up.
Oh, look
I'm
at
gonna
this. She's
win.
already playing bingo, guys. She's cheating.
Yeah,
We
put
haven't
it in the
even started
banner. 27 and 55. Get to work.
Oh,
I don't have
we're
to
already
do
going to
it. I
start with
don't
the
have to
banner
do
stuff.
it. I don't have to do it. I'm getting a
I
vacation.
can't do it.
I got no buttons.
27 and what number?
55.
So Chucky had messaged me on Twitter, and I was like, and who gave you yesterday off? Who said you can miss Rosalind's stream? We were looking for you. And he goes, I'm working. I actually have it, I'm doing decoding or stuff. And I said, and this is an excuse how? I said, but okay, I guess work.
He
But
really
you
needs
better
to
be there
rethink his
tomorrow.
priorities.
Right.
Right? Like, I don't
Then
remember him asking for permission to go work.
can you put in that we're playing standard bingo for the first, standard bingo so
Look at
everybody
this.
knows what.
Look at how bossy she's getting all of a sudden.
Well, I don't have to do it. I don't have to do it.
Where Froggy Number says, Venom Roslyn, where are you ganking? Gank? Titties? Tittles? What?
Titles.
Titles. Tittles.
Ask Tomato Tits where the tittles are, Yeah, maybe they'll come in and tell me I'm showing my biscuits. But I'm getting paid for it.
Messaged me this morning because she caught my
wish
error
she'd
in spelling trial and trail.
Yeah, we're having trail bingo.
Happy trails to you.
Come true.
I got into the biggest fight with ChatGPT trying to make the thumbnail. Like, it made me the Keefe D. So I said, okay, make me the Keefe D with Tupac. Nope, can't have that image. I said, it doesn't violate TOS. It's a public image. Everybody's using it. Nope, it violates TOS agreement. And I started arguing. So
I'm not trying to be Chucky Venom, but can you put standard bingo in the front?
Oh my God.
And then pay space.
Are you kidding me?
I mean, you could write numbers called in front of the numbers. That would be great.
So
Thanks.
you want numbers called too. Guys, do you see this?
Listen,
Do you see this? Roz, how do you put up with this?
She doesn't. She gives me the buttons to do it myself.
Exactly. And
Well,
I unplugged.
I can only afford one button controller extra.
Well, and Rosie doesn't
And, you
even
know,
have it.
I could
don't have
lose that at any time, if you know what I mean.
Right.
Oh,
This
my
way it's in the
God.
front. Yeah. No, I just wanted people to see what round we're on, and then
Straight bingo. No gays allowed.
yeah, no. Even though it's gay summer, and we support gay summers over here. Okay.
So embarrassing.
Great bingo. But you could be diagonal. You could be diagonal as long as it's 7 in a row.
Oh, this is going to be a day, isn't it?
Gay summer, tomato tits, biscuits.
I think I need Shizzy's song. Welcome to the shit show.
Every single day.
Oh, I didn't put the banner on now. Is this better? Is that better?
Yes, much better. Thank you.
You're not upset that I'm using my little squiggly little thing? My dash?
No, I don't care about the squiggly.
Oh, well, I just want to make sure your OCD isn't going to be affected by that.
No, mine's not. Mine's not as bad as Chucky's. Chucky's is worse than mine.
Some of you have never had a child with ADD, and it shows.
No, I haven't. Like Chucky was like Venom. Like he came at me on Friday's stream. He was like Venom. The numbers, there's 2 numbers that aren't spaced and they're not properly spaced. I was like, are you kidding? Like they're in order.
What more do you want?
Like the other day.
What do you want? What you want?
Listen.
Don't start that, Rosie. It's on the card.
What you want?
We haven't even started yet, and I'm going to have to call another number.
Did I get sleep? I got some sleep in between. I literally almost a 12-hour day of laundry that shouldn't have taken 12 hours because I have neighbors that wanted to remove my wash mid-wash cycle and take it out and put it on a chair. And then if it was in the dryer, they took it out of the dryer and put it on the chair, even though they weren't using anything. They had so many machines taken, and the dryer sat from 10 a.m. until at least midnight when my son ran to get my bedding out of the machine for me. And the machines still had the same clothes, the same basket that were there at 10 o'clock in the morning. That by all means, I should have been done with my laundry within an hour or two, but because I had to keep rewashing and repaying to either strain my clothes of the water log that they were ejected out of the machine for, or restart a dryer. Yeah.
Oh,
So it was fun.
Joys of
renting. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
Yeah. When I bought my house, my laundry room was in the basement. And I was like, this is not going to work for me. I'm sorry. So I just took away one of the spare bedrooms in my house and was like, you're now my laundry room.
Nice.
Yeah, I miss my townhouse. I had a nice laundry room set up right off of my garage, and I had like a double door that the garage would walk into the laundry room, and then I had another locking door that came into the house. And I put up shelves and had a little whole situation station set up where I could at least hang some clothes that if I didn't feel like putting something away right away, I could just take it out of the machine, hang it, or put it on the shelves, and little area for my soaps and stuff. And I miss it. I miss the ability of just controlling my own machine. But
my machine was so big, it almost didn't fit in the room.
Well, I mean, we know you got big biscuits.
Yeah, I got big biscuits.
And now we got to hear about your machine, too.
People
That's right.
want to know why we're a day behind on this trial. Really?
Okay,
really?
I guess that means you want to start the trial.
You guys came here to actually watch the trial? Oh, that's weird. And I called 25, so you need to update the banner.
Oh, gee, you know, do
Post
you
wraps.
just want to play the game without even like starting or what?
I mean, Rosie's given us content. I don't know what to tell you.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Don't blame it on Roz now, Star. You're just trying to.
She
You
rapped.
found out you could play bingo today, so you're just taking advantage of it and trying to fill your
Star
card.
cheats. Star
I don't even,
cheats.
yeah, I don't even
Yeah.
have 25. So there's that. And I'm not reshuffling my card because I already have 2 in a row.
Are you done calling numbers until we actually start this? So, like,
Yeah,
people
get
in
it
chat
going.
could actually play, or
What are you
are you
waiting
trying to?
for? Start the show already. Sheesh.
Yeah. Start the show already. Sheesh. You know, I get paid for that.
We promise a
pay for
tenfold
that.
refund if it doesn't work. Traditional
guys.
dentures can cause jawbone loss and alter your facial contours over time.
You see
Oh,
that?
awkward.
Dentures completely
Awkward.
avoid these problems. They fit in 1 second.
Awkward.
Anybody needed a commercial on dentures? We just had it. Thank you to
Welcome
Court
to
TV
that.
and their commercial sponsors and the commercials that I'm gonna get maybe today. Don't know. Okay.
That lady was pretty, though. She was pretty.
Let's see
Yeah,
this.
Liz.
Okay.
Exactly. I'd rather
There we
have
go.
basement laundry than no laundry in my house. That's for sure.
Come on. There we go.
We are starting day 6, folks. Day 6 of the prosecution's case.
Oh, look at he's all dressed down in black. Good guys wear black, huh? Oh,
Court Part 2 is now in session. The arbitration presiding.
Good morning, everyone. You can all be seated. We're on record in State versus
Judge.
Davis, C-377-407.
Hey, that's for
Welcome
sure.
back, everybody. Anything we need to address outside the presence?
Your Honor, I do have some concern with regards to the state's current presentation of evidence in this case.
Okay.
There was some discussion, I believe, that was on recording. That was something that I did not believe should have been included. Some prior bad act that was in the first, I don't know.
Maybe
5 or
quit
6
being a
minutes
criminal.
recording that we listened to on Friday. I did not make an objection to that particular point because I was trying to figure out whether it came in under some motion practice prior, and I don't believe it does.
And specifically what that act is at?
Is that Mr. Davis is talking specifically about criminal history, and he mentioned something along the lines that he was involved in a shooting, and it was also because of drugs. We've always known about drugs, that's in his criminal history, but with regards to his reference to a shooting, I think it's highly prejudicial in this case. And I don't know where it's at in there. I was trying to figure out what my people were thinking where it was exactly, but we don't have this exact recording.
Okay. So in my motion regarding the bad acts and regarding essentially all of the evidence that was going to be admitted in this case, there was a caveat that there would be certain things that would be excluded, that could be redacted out. Was this something you were familiar with in your previous listenings, or just kind of took you by surprise when you heard it this time?
Well, we don't have the proposed redacted version of this.
There is no redaction to this whatsoever. There was no request made to redact it, but our motion specifically addressed that his first criminal conviction was a misdemeanor for shooting into the occupied structure.
Can I finish with Mr.
Brian?
Stamp real quick,
Sure.
and then I'll turn to you, Mr. Giacomo. Mr. Stamp, go. You may finish.
Oh no, I was listening to Mr. Giacomo. So I mean, to me,
Okay.
I mean, to me, the bigger issue is that we have this recording now. I mean, obviously,
43.
there's things in here that
Side-eyed.
potentially going to be a problem.
If you
It would be, at least in the state, some effort to reach out to me and say, hey, here are the things that we think that still falls under the purview of what the court order was in this case, and maybe there's some things in here you want to discuss. I would think that would have been a discussion prior to the publication of it. I just presume that what we were hearing up on the with this particular witness on Friday was the stuff that we had already heard. The problem is, like I said, there's reference to a shooting in here, there's reference to another, I can't remember what the other act is that's in there. But once again, it goes back to the fact that there was some motion practice done on this, and I agree with the court. The other part of the problem is that, you know, we've had reference to the Biggie Smalls murder. The state in their own motion practice had indicated that they weren't going to, that the Biggie Smalls murder had nothing to do with the Tupac investigation. And to me,
I think with Mr. Duane Davis had no involvement in the Biggie Smalls. And
Correct.
we've admonished the jury that there is no indication that he has anything to do with that at this point. But ultimately, the nexus of this investigation was such that they were investigated together, for better or for worse.
right. And I mean, we can sit here and talk words all day.
Yes, that's what we do. We talk
But I think what we're proposing the court to do, what I would propose the court to do, is just have some type of limiting instruction to the jury, in indicating to them you may be hearing other things that are not the focus of this particular investigation of Tupac's murder, something along those lines. Just a limiting instruction.
Sure. Mr. DiGiacomo, do you have an objection to the limiting instruction?
No, I actually think before every witness, maybe you just read that Tavares instruction to them
Okay.
each time.
Okay. So just to remedy what we're talking about now, I'll have Mr. Samp propose a limiting instruction, and then I'll, from here on out, given the party's dual request, I'll read the Tavares instruction unless it's a witness that has nothing to do with, if it were, for example, the gentleman.
Did you guys hear
he wouldn't have
Biggie?
anything to do
Because
with
I
that
had
act,
no
so we wouldn't have to
sound.
read. But if it were anybody else, anybody
Biggie
law enforcement at
Smalls
this point,
a couple of
I can
times.
read it.
Yes, Judge, and that, just so that there's complete candor to the court, we did a motion on his prior shooting.
43 and 8.
It
has been
sounds
called.
like to me it's not
43
clear.
and 8.
We didn't do a motion on his 2015 conviction. I didn't realize until it was rolling and you hear it's actually being spoken that he does reference some police contact in 2015. And I do realize he was convicted of that. I didn't
8 and what number?
know or
43.
recognize that was in there.
43 is on there
If
already.
the court wants to, since we're past that portion where he talks about it, we can have somebody redact the audio so that
That
the one
goes
that goes back to the jury removes the reference to the 2015.
Interested in GLP-1s for weight loss, but worried about high
Sorry.
costs and hidden markups? GoodRx now offers monthly
Conviction, because he talks about the last time I was in the feds or the last time I was in prison, and then he mentions 2015.
Okay.
And that has to do with an event that's completely unrelated to our investigation. I just didn't realize, I didn't tie those two together until I heard the audio being played with the transcript. Well,
Okay. So we'll have that redacted when it does go back in case they spend more time with it. Mr. Samp, what is the proposed instruction that you would like at this time for me to read to the jury when they walk in?
You're asking me to put words together?
That's your job.
I
That's what
know,
you're good at.
It is my job. Here's my thing.
Okay.
Your Honor, I
I'll
would
let
think.
Tully
Ask
make a
Yeah,
proposal.
Yes.
Your Honor, I would think it'd be something along the line.
I'm going to let him propose it.
Like, he's making an objection to have the jury instructed, but he doesn't know what he wants instructed.
Exactly.
Oh boy. Yeah, it's gonna be a great day.
Yeah, let me propose it.
All right, then we can have some discussions about what it actually is.
Okay, let him propose it and then you can object. But
Hello, Bill.
I think it's cleaner for the record if he proposes it.
I don't know that it matters for Tavares, but okay.
Huh?
I don't think it matters for the purposes of Tavares, but okay.
This isn't a Tavares instruction. The Tavares instruction's already been determined because this isn't something that's being let in for the purposes that I'd let in bad acts. This is something that they're asking just to disregard.
That's only the 2015.
Yeah.
The
Correct.
shooting should still come in because the court ruled upon that.
Yeah, that's what I thought we were talking about.
So what is the shooting is there for credibility of the statements of defendant, motive, and identity?
Yes.
In his book, he starts off with, my first criminal conviction is shooting into an occupied house, and describes the event. That comes in. What shouldn't come in, and if he wants a limiting instruction on, is the 2015. I don't know if they would want a limiting instruction, since we're going to redact the audio before the jury gets it. We'll also redact the transcript before the jury gets it. So I don't know if he wants to draw attention because they may not
Are we
have
threatening the
caught.
jury?
I'm going to let them talk, and then I'll let you guys talk.
Wait, what? He threatened a juror?
No, I was just saying, like, the jury's going to get it.
Oh.
Weigh in.
I do have one other further matter, Your Honor.
Okay.
Little attempt at a joke, sorry.
The other issue is this: with regards to Mr. Dorsey's testimony,
He probably is threatening.
we have a record from Detective Mock, who interviews Mr. Dorsey prior to his testimony. His testimony, though, on the stand really made things a little bit more easier to understand in terms of how his relation is with this case. In essence, what happens is that BET is asked by the district attorney's office to produce documents. Maybe it was through Mock. Maybe Mock is the one who does it. But in either event, BET says, okay, here's what we're going to produce. And they produce the actual finished product as their production.
Right.
They don't introduce B-rolls. They don't do anything other than that. And they basically said, that's all we've got. I think Mr. Diaz or Rios or whatever his name was prior to this had said something along the same lines that, hey, this is just how they do. The problem with what we're doing now is this. Mr. Dorsey gets up there and testifies and he says, look, my job, from what I understand, was to listen in to the interview that's being conducted between Mr. Davis and the interviewer, which, whoever that person is. And he's supposed to be there to really sort of make sure that
Your Honor, this makes my client look bad, really bad. Can we remove it?
2008 proper session.
What?
Recording.
He's saying, basically, he's
Here's
saying
the
makes my client look bad. Can we get rid of this?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Let's not show all his past criminal history and admissions in several tapes. Let's edit this one out because he talked even more.
Client,
Hey, Bill.
It's making me hard. It's making it hard to represent him. Can you?
How am I supposed to say that this was all being pressured when he's so willingly giving information for documentaries?
At the end of what he does and what he's proposed now, what the state is now using, is surreptitious recordings in between the official recordings by BET. Now, what does that mean? That means that while Mr. Davis is sitting in that room, he's sitting in that room with the interviewer, and at some point he's going to be asking for breaks. He's going to be asking for time to talk to somebody else,
Okay.
which we understand to be Wayne Higgins, his attorney. Those conversations are not hot mic conversations. They are conversations between attorney and client, and there is a reasonable expectation of privacy there because of the fact that it's done off camera, because BET does not record.
See, they caught it.
And on top of it, too, that as that's happening, they're talking in a tone, they're not yelling and screaming it out loud, but they're talking in a tone to say, hey, what do we do here, whatever the issues are. I think those parts of this recording that Mr. Dorsey had done, I think those are parts that need to be included from the jury's understanding, because here's the thing. I understand he's not a state actor. I understand that it doesn't fall under this idea of, hey, well, he wasn't ordered by a detective to do that, and Dupree is definitely not a detective at this particular point. However, it is still a crime in California to record some of these conversations that they believe is private. Regardless of if we're in a room and having a conversation, if I'm having a conversation with this individual sitting right next to me, and I believe that
client
it's private,
confidentiality with the attorney,
law,
but the
that
problem
still
is
illegally obtained
the
material.
task force investigator
Have you ever
was
seen a
also in
product
there
that-
negotiating with them, so I don't think it matters. I think it's allowed. If you're going to talk to a task force member, then what gives you any privacy?
Yeah, I mean, he's talking about the BET interview.
Yes, because
So-
they shared the proffer agreement in the BET documentary.
Okay.
And he's like, that is no bueno for my client.
Oh. Now, see,
Is the jury in here?
No. They're
That's what I
discussing what
thought.
he wants withheld, but that's where I was getting confused because it's like that part I don't understand about the law, that if he was giving an interview or writing the book or wherever he's speaking public, but I didn't understand the attorney-client privilege of it. Okay. Oh.
Yeah, he was not waiving privilege, but I think it's waived when you've got another party in there.
No nefarious.
To Mr. Dorsey's testimony, we have a record from Detective Mock, who interviews Mr. Dorsey prior to his testimony. His testimony, though, on the stand really made things a little bit more easier to understand in terms of how his relation is with this case. In essence, what happens is that BET is asked by the district attorney's office to produce documents. Maybe it was through MOG. Maybe MOG is the one who does it. But in either event, BET says, okay, here's what we're going to produce. And they produce the actual
Okay, I missed that part.
as their production.
Right.
They don't introduce B-rolls. They don't do anything other than that.
So it was the attorney that
And they
produced
basically said that's all
the
they've done.
document for them?
Mr. Diaz or
No,
Lewis
I
or
think-
whatever his name was prior to this
Okay.
had said something along the same lines that, hey, this is just how they do.
If I think they got it from the district attorney.
Yeah. He's talking about, I thought maybe he meant Keefe D's, but either way, it came from an attorney, which still would violate attorney-client.
Right, privilege. But if you waived privilege by having an investigator in the room, I don't think that it counts.
Right.
In my
I agree.
opinion, I'm not an attorney. I don't claim to be one. But to me, that's my understanding of how that works. If you waive privilege by allowing anyone else to be present, that's shame on you.
Yeah, because that person has no liability to keep it quiet. So
Right.
And kind of that would also kind of apply to what we were discussing yesterday about the recording device that was left on the table. They knew they were in a law enforcement interview room, whether it was a police department or a federal office, when they were speaking, and he asked the cop to step out or the Fed to step out, whoever it was.
So Detective Long was the investigator from Las Vegas who had gone out to LA to have this meeting to discuss it. So he was in LA having this conversation with Keefe and his attorney and the rest of the task force, right?
Right.
So members of the task force leave except for that one Dupree. He stayed in and helped guide that, the comments, the commentary or the narrative. So to me, that's where they waived it, but was by allowing Dupree to be in there.
Right. Because that's the one thing that threw me off, that I was so blown away that even the recording device was there, and they know they're in an office for an interview. So it's still being recorded, and he wanted the guy out. So, oh boy. Yeah. Oh,
okay, number 21 has been called task force.
Mr. Dorsey gets up there and testifies, and he says, look, my job, from what I understand, was to listen in to the interview that's being conducted between Mr. Davis and the interviewer, whoever that person is. And he's supposed to be there to really sort of make sure that Mr. Davis is not lying or saying something that's off from what he understands the 2008 proper session to be, the recording. Here's the problem with it. At the end of what he does, and what he's proposed now, what the state is now using, is surreptitious recordings in between the official recordings by BET. Now, what does that mean? That means that while Mr. Davis is sitting in that room, he's sitting in that room with the interviewer, and at some point he's going to be asking for breaks. He's going to be asking for time to talk to somebody else, which we understand to be Wayne Higgins, his attorney. Those conversations are not hot mic conversations. They are conversations between attorney and client, and there is a reasonable expectation of privacy there because of the fact that it's done off camera, because BET does not record it. And on top of it too, that as that's happening, they're talking in a tone, they're not yelling and screaming it out loud, but they're talking in a tone to say, hey, what do we do here, whatever the issues are. I think those parts of this recording that Mr. What's his name again? Dorsey had done, I think those are parts that need to be included from the jury's understanding, because here's the thing. I understand he's not a state actor. I understand that it doesn't fall under this idea of, hey, well, he wasn't ordered by a detective to do that, and Dupree is definitely not a detective at this particular point. However, it is still a crime in California to record some of these conversations that they believe is private. Regardless of if we're in a room and having a conversation, if I'm having a conversation with this individual sitting right next to me and I believe that is private, under California law, that is still illegally obtained material.
But ultimately, the remedy for a private actor acting in a no nefarious, illegal, whatever you want to call it way, is not exclusion against the state, because the state's not the actor doing that. So that was sort of my comment when it was brought up that way. I think the attorney-client privilege argument is definitely more interesting and is new. Or any final word on that before I turn to Mr. DiGiacomo?
Well, I mean, because here's the issue that we have right now. What we have is an individual who basically takes his iPhone out, plugs it down on a speaker next to where he's at. He's hiding in a room to avoid detection by Mr. Davis, and he's recording the entire time. You hear other people communicating or having some type of discussion on top of his recording, which means that it's done openly in front of this mic or whatever he's at. He doesn't see a screen or monitor. He doesn't know what is being recorded or not. He just records the whole thing. The concern that I have with it is right now, as we're watching and listening to what's being played by the state, we don't see where exactly it is that they're going to bring in the parts that are not in the transcripts that we have from the recording. That's the official BET offering versus the stuff that they have that would have the additional thing on top of it, the surreptitious recording by Mr. Dorsey.
Okay. State.
Two things. Mr. Dorsey had a transcript of his recordings that has been provided to the defense.
Okay.
And there's a transcript of the official BET recordings, which, if you notice while listening to it, even the BET transcripts does not pick up background conversations or transcribe background conversations between other people when Mr. Diaz is asking questions.
Okay.
Mr. Dorsey will testify, because I specifically had asked him about the attorney-client thing. He will testify at no point in time when Mr. Davis is talking to Mr. Higgins is there not a third party present from E1 Entertainment. So there is no privileged communication that occurs between Mr. Davis and his attorney. Even at one point, you're going to hear Mr. Davis say, "Hey, hold on. This is a hot mic."
Let's bring him in and do a short evidentiary hearing then on that issue of attorney-client privilege.
Sure.
Okay.
I assume he's back there.
We'll have Mr. Dorsey come in real quick. We'll have him resworn, and then we'll just proceed on this limited issue outside the presence, and then ultimately I'll make a determination. I understand it's your proffer that that's what he's going to say, but I'd rather have it fleshed out. Bring in Mr. Dorsey. Just Mr. Dorsey. No jurors. No jurors yet.
Somebody get some WD-40, please.
What number did we call?
No, the door was squeaking. I was like,
oh yeah. Yeah, I heard I've been listening to it. I actually wrote it down for next week's card. Oily doors. I sent you guys a message. Okay.
Oh.
Go forward. Okay, I guess we're going to get to hear an argument.
What the heck?
The lawyers are definitely livening up now that this is starting to move in. Hey, Malin, how are you? Hello. Oh, Nick.
Just a toothbrushing reminder.
Hey, Mr. Dorsey, we're going to have you sworn real quick. Raise your hand.
You do solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give in this action shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
You may be seated. May I have you state and spell your first and last name for the record?
Yes, it's Michael Dorsey, Michael Dorsey.
All right, thanks for coming back, Mr. Dorsey. I hope you had a good weekend. We just needed to do a quick outside the presence sort of hearing so I can determine the legality of some things that are coming in, okay? Or not, potentially not coming in. So I'll let Mr. DiGiacomo ask some questions about the issue you brought up.
Mr. Dorsey, I know there's times on this recording where you capture conversations that involve the defendant, Duane Higgins.
Yes.
During those conversations, were they ever alone in a room having a conversation? Was there always a third party present?
I believe they were always in the studio, and there are, I think most of the time you actually hear Mario talking with them. It's like a three-way conversation. So I understand like how privilege works to some extent, and it sounded to me like always he was still in the studio, didn't go outside into a hallway, and Again, you can hear Wayne Higgins talking with him.
And not just Mario Diaz. Isn't there a number of people to do this production that have to be in that room?
Correct. There would have been another producer. There's the sound recordist. There's at least one videographer. There's probably at least a lighting person in there. There's at least a good half dozen people in that room with them.
And at one point, does Mr. Davis make some comment about, hey, careful, this is a hot mic?
He does, yes. He's kind of whispering, this is a hot mic.
So at no point where you're capturing or recording there's not other people within, and describe the size of the studio.
Sure, it's a very small studio. It's probably a quarter the size of this courtroom.
So it's a very small room with 4 or 5 people in it where he's having this conversation.
That's correct, yes.
And Mr. Dorsey, where are you when these conversations are taking place?
I was in an office down the hall.
Okay, and so you had eyes on the studio the entire time?
I did not have eyes on the studio, no.
Okay. You could hear people speaking as to everything that was being said in there?
Yes.
And how were you recording again? Remind me.
I had a pair of headphones, and I had my phone, and I just hit record.
Okay, and so it's essentially the studio audio that you're using.
Exactly, the live audio coming right from the studio. Yes.
So it's a room. Do you know if the studio has signs that they're recording at all times? Like signage that says something like, this is a recording studio. You are it seems like that.
Yes, recording studios typically have the signs up like that. Plus, of course, he would have signed a release, so he knows he's being recorded.
Okay, got it. Anything further? Sorry, I sort of hijacked that a little bit, Mr. DiGiacomo.
Not from the state.
Mr. Sam, you may cross.
Okay, Mr. Dorsey, you've never met Mr. Davis before.
We've never met. We've seen each other before.
Okay, so on the day of the recording, you made it a point to not run into Mr. Davis, fair?
Correct.
You were actually in this other room.
That's correct.
And you're there just with headphones on.
Yes.
So.
And I saw him walk by. I know he's disagreeing with me right now. I watched him go by.
Sure, and that's fine.
And he looked at me.
Okay, are you done with the answer?
Yeah, I sure am.
Okay. Now, in terms of your
that was snotty.
Your work, I want to make sure I'm clear. Are you working as an employee of BET?
No.
Okay, what are you at that point?
I am a contract employee, work for hire, as a technical consultant for specifically this production. I'm not hired by BET. I'm hired by the production company.
By the production company?
Yes, sir.
And that's Entertainment One?
Entertainment One and Creature Films, like a subsidiary of Entertainment One.
All right, and then in terms of your work with Entertainment One, that was bound with a confidential agreement, right?
Yes.
Do you have proof right now that you're no longer bound to that agreement?
I do. I have a letter from an attorney at Paramount Pictures, which owns BET, approving me sharing my information. And then I also have an email from Mark Ford, the head of Creature Films, also saying he had no objection.
Okay, so in your work with Entertainment One, what you basically do is you have your phone or whatever recording device down next to the monitor in which you're listening to a conversation.
Correct.
You cannot tell us who's where in your recording, correct?
Correct.
You just hear noises, right?
That's right.
Now, in terms of the actual recording itself, as the individuals sitting there, are they sitting with mics on their lapels as they're sitting there being interviewed by that person?
What you mean, the person conducting the interview, is he wearing a mic?
Is he wearing a mic, and is the person that is interviewing wearing a mic?
I don't know if the Mario Diaz, for example, is conducting the interview. I don't know if he was wearing a lapel mic, but there would be 2 mics in the room minimum. There would be a lapel mic on Keefe, and then there would be a shotgun mic over him that is kind of capturing everything else in the room.
Right. And so in terms of what you're recording, you don't know, for instance, if the cameras are on and off because you're actually just listening to sound.
That's correct.
And in terms of the interview, you understand that Wayne Higgins was in the room as well as
Yes. Yes, he was there for the entire first interview, and then he was like 10 minutes late to the second interview.
All right. Now, before we were listening to this, are there any moments at all where Mr. Davis is talking loudly during what you would think would be a private conversation?
Loudly.
This professional 32 terabytes SSD.
Loudly.
I'm glad he's got that letter saying he's released.
Normal indoor voice is what I would say.
31.
And when you say that there was this statement that this is a hot mic,
yes.
fair to say that was a reminder to whoever he's talking to that.
Did you say we have a bingo?
No,
I already got 31 added.
grumpy face.
Oh yeah.
Hey, this should be kept private.
Correct.
All right.
Yeah.
So there were times where there was an understanding, or at least an idea that what they were going to have.
One time was the only time.
Now, after you had recorded
He's
what you
actively
did,
writing
Yes.
today.
just the entire thing,
Correct.
you never had his permission to record all of it, right?
I didn't need his permission
Why?
because he's there to be
Oh, are you
recorded.
giving
He's got
answers?
mics on him. He has lights and a camera pointed
said
at him. He's in
no.
a production studio. I'm
Yeah.
officially hired on as a crew member. I'm allowed to do whatever I want.
No.
And-
Let's back up here, but make sure.
I
I'm
can
clear.
do whatever
Sure, you're
I
a crew
want.
member, but you don't own the rights to the production itself, right?
Correct.
And you don't own the rights in terms of what the camera angles are or anything along those lines.
That's correct. I could
Now-
not put this on YouTube and profit from it.
Okay, well, back up here again. I want to make sure I'm clear. Did you take that audio recording that you made and give it to either Entertainment One or any of the subsidiaries in this case?
No.
Okay, so you basically took something that you didn't have permission to take.
That's not true.
Okay, well, back up here. Tell me who you got permission from.
I didn't need permission. Do you understand? There's no permission needed for that. I'm there to do it. I made the recording because he showed up for the first interview, not ready for his interview to be conducted. So I knew it was going to be broken up into 2 days. So I said, I'm going to make a recording of this so that I can make sure we ask the correct follow-up questions when we come back. That's the only reason I made this recording.
But you're not
Ask
a
him back
contracted
now.
person. You don't have a contract.
I apologize. We're way afield of the issue that the court needs to rule upon, and this sounds like cross-examination for a jury.
Well, I'll get back into it, Jerry. I'm just saying as of right now, Judge, we have a problem with this. Thank you. And just to make sure I'm clear, you take that recording and that's the recording that you're now publishing here for the jury, right?
Publishing, no. Playing for the jury, yes. Publishing, it suggests publicly. I'm not putting this out to the public.
That was a legal terminology, but you're playing that for the jury now.
Yes, sir.
I have no further questions.
Anything further, State? All right. In general, the attorney-client privilege under 49.095 is broken when you speak in front of a third party who's unrelated to the legal team.
There we go.
Here, it appears as though Mario Dorsey and others were potentially present for the conversations. Additionally, the setting of the interview itself does not lend itself to a belief that the conversations would be privileged and or private. It's a recording studio. The purpose is there to be recorded. A release is signed so that the person can be recorded. The entire room is microphoned up. Additionally, there are microphones on the people participating in the interview. In general, this isn't a situation that would lend itself to private conversations. I think based on the testimony, they are not privileged conversations. Circling back to the issue regarding the instruction to the jury, Mr. Sanft, is there anything, did you want me to reread the Tavares instruction, which I can add something related to the unrelated shooting to? That proposal for that would be this. You have heard testimony regarding drug trafficking, conspiracy, a federal conviction, gang affiliation, and an unrelated shooting.
That's not an unrelated shooting. In 2015, he lets the cops come in his house and they find a gun and I think some drugs. And that's what he goes to prison on in 2015. The shooting he's talking about is his teenage shooting that's written about in his book. So Mr. Shams was conflating the two.
Okay.
The 2015, I think.
So how
I
about
believe
this,
is
instead of federal conviction, prior criminal convictions?
a conviction in 2015. That's the only one that wasn't
My
part of the
point in
motion.
saying that it was unrelated is saying that it's unrelated to this incident.
Correct, unrelated 2015 incident.
So what's your proposal, Mr. Sanft? I saw you had a piece of paper.
Yes, Your Honor. Myself and the defense team worked on a Tavares instruction that says you are instructed that any testimony and or evidence introduced about any unrelated shootings and or murders is not admitted and should not be considered for propensity purposes, but instead for the purposes of motive, intent, or to establish the credibility of defendant statements.
It's not only not to be considered for propensity, it's not to be considered for any outside thing other than those narrow exceptions that we've delineated.
Okay, that's the propensity purposes was the.
So if you're okay with that defense, you want to add or any other purpose somewhere? Okay.
Yeah, we can add it or any other purpose.
Okay, let them add that and then bring it up to me and I'll use that as my master. And we'll ultimately end up giving this instruction to the jury in their packet.
Thank you.
So that's your suggestion, and that is granted, Mr. Sanft. As soon as Ms. Pandu finishes looking at it. Almost there, Mr. Percy. Give us a minute.
I'm fine.
Okay.
Well.
Lawyers are starting to get a little boxy with each other.
Honeymoon's over, folks.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
It's about time they start acting like lawyers.
Yeah. It was a little strange in the beginning.
Yeah.
No, French. We're not having a sidebar.
About 2 minutes.
Yeah, I'll give you 49. That didn't help the defense.
Take the 2 out.
Not
Yeah.
both 49 and 12. You're not getting both of those.
Not admitted and should not be considered by you for propensity. Other persons except.
But I'll give you 16. So we'll do 16 and 49. 16 and 49 have been called. Remember, we don't double dip.
Let's see if you can read it, judges. Some Benu's, some Pauline's handwriting.
God, guys. You should both be doctors here.
I know. I'll rewrite it for you.
No, it's okay.
You sure?
I think I got it.
Okay.
No, ma'am. Please don't let them be doctors.
Have a little.
Okay, so this is what we're going to read. Tell me if there's an objection. You are instructed that any testimony and or evidence introduced about any unrelated shootings and or murders is not admitted and should not be considered by you for propensity or any other purpose. It is admitted only for the purposes of motive, intent, or to establish the credibility of the defendant's theory.
This morning.
Any objection? Perfect. All right, I can read it. So as soon as we bring the jury in, I'll apologize for being a little bit late. My fault. And then I will read them the eliminating instruction and we'll get going.
Should we leave Mr. Dorsey on the stand?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
You want to?
All right. So as soon as that jury's ready to go, we'll go.
Cosy, were you watching before you got here or listening?
I wasn't. I was busy.
Okay. So they tried. His attorney tried to move that the interview that was done in LA between Detective Long from Vegas and the task force.
Mm-hmm.
He tried to say that was client privilege or lawyer privilege, whatever. And they fought for that. And then turns out, no, it's not, because of Dupree was in there and was listening in.
Third party in there, right?
I'm sorry?
There was a third party, so that
He was a third party, right? So she determined that it was not covered by client privilege.
Cool.
Yep.
And the attorneys are acting like attorneys. They're starting to get a little feisty with each other. We've got
they're starting to object, and
Yeah, exactly.
Good for them. Good.
they finally woke up, but yeah,
Took a while.
It was a slow start.
Yeah.
It got a little spicy.
Only took him 6 days.
The guy Dorsey that put together the documentary, so he was a little spicy on the stand. So that's fun.
Cool.
Yeah. Cool. All right. That's
Sorry I'm late, by the way.
That's okay.
You're fine.
Okay.
You're fine.
Good to see everybody.
Good to
see you. See, I can't show myself today because if people want to see my biscuits that apparently I'm showing, they have to pay for it.
You know, we will just make that. We will
Biscuits
just make
going to
that
cost you more money, definitely.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to set a goal for that. So we'll start that, and I'll set a goal.
The biscuit fund.
We'll get a goal going today for the biscuit fund.
Exactly. No biscuits for you unless you pay. No biscuits.
Oh no, I thought it was me, but it's they've got it
Yeah.
muted. I was like, did I hit the mute? I'm
I
good for
thought the same
muting,
thing for a
Cosy.
second.
So I saw Kane had a little dig at Nicola.
Yeah.
Nicola
And,
too?
Oh yeah.
Wait, I'll pause.
Yeah, a
this.
couple of them did, and I'm about to go scorched earth on them.
Oh,
I figured. Well, I kind of was like, well, do I say anything or do I let this whole thing with
I
Tug
did.
play
I
out?
did see your comment too. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I usually just treat him like he's a child. Like, you're not being very good. You're not being very nice to me.
Yeah, and then Moon's got in on it, and I'm like, I'm telling you, people, you're on sacred ground here.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't fuck with Nicola. We'll tag in Ricada too.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Yep.
These people.
Tagging a bunch of people. Yep.
Yep.
Hey, Coop Raiders. Welcome, welcome. Get your bingo
Raiders.
cards.
Got some people trailing in here. There is some stuff going on with Jeremy and Lynette in the bankruptcy, but we are doing Tupac.
We are doing Tupac today.
And Frenchie, froggy numbers. No on the awkward silence. They were bringing in the jury. That doesn't count. That doesn't count as awkward silence.
All right. I think she's reading off stuff to the jury.
It is admitted only for the purpose of motive, intent, or to establish the credibility of defendant's statement.
Let's see if you can read it.
I just found out that if you have 2 cars on your car insurance, this is 100% what you should be doing. So I found this website and look at the difference. 150.
Are you sick of commercials? Donate to Venom's cash fund to pay for her premium.
My YouTube.
You should both be doctors here. I know.
I'll rewrite
it.
No, it's okay.
You sure?
I think I got it. Okay.
Premium is like, I don't know. You got to have it.
Yeah. If I'm gonna do this, I definitely am gonna have to get it, I guess.
Okay, so this is what I'm going to read. Tell me if there's an objection. You are instructed that any testimony and or evidence introduced about any unrelated shootings and or murders is not admitted and should not be considered by you for propensity or any other purpose. It is admitted only for the purposes of motive, intent, or to establish the credibility of defendant's statements. Any objection?
No.
Perfect. All right, I can read it. So as soon as we bring the jury in, I'll apologize for being a little bit late. My fault. And then I will read them the limiting instruction and we'll get going.
Should we leave Mr. Dorsey on the stand?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Welcome, more Coop
All right,
Raiders.
so as soon as that jury's ready to go, we'll go.
Right? We got a goal going, guys. Star will show her biscuits.
Stand for the jury.
And we get our goal.
You're safe, French. I mean, froggy numbers. Hey, sister, no Val.
Oh. Yes. Jackie.
To the party stipulated to the purpose of the jury.
Good job.
May be seated. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you had a good weekend. I apologize for the delay. We had a legal issue that I did need to decide before we brought in, so I appreciate your patience in that matter. There's a limiting instruction that I need to read to you, and then we're going to resume with Mr. Dorsey's testimony. You are instructed that any testimony and or evidence introduced about any unrelated shootings and or murders is not admitted and should not be considered by you for propensity or any other purposes. It is admitted only for the purpose of motive, intent, or to establish the credibility of defendant's statements. All right, Mr. DiGiacomo, Mr. Dorsey has already been sworn, and so you may proceed.
Mr. Dorsey, in that first portion, the first 35-17, we're about to get back to it. Let me ask you this. After 2019, Did you become aware that Mr. Davis published a book?
Yes,
Did you read the book?
I did.
Were there historical facts he provided you in 2017 that were included within that?
Are we frozen?
Okay.
Dorsey,
Do you
please.
recall what those various biographical background, if you could tell the ladies and gentlemen?
Sure. One of the stories was how his first time hanging out with the Crips when he was 9 years old, and he was shooting dice, and his dad drove by and saw him and ended up, punishing him for that. He talked about playing Pop Warner football with Suge Knight. And not just that, but also he talked about going to Suge's house after they would win for parties in their backyard, like pool parties. He talked about a baseball coach at the Compton College who was dealing drugs. I think Keefe was like in middle schooler, and he started running as kind of a courier for that guy. It was his first introduction to the drug game. He talked about being in the Upward Bound program at UCLA. And there may have been one other detail in there, but all details that I've only ever heard in that interview and read in his book. So I conclude that the author could have only gotten those from him.
All right, Judge, I'm going to have to do a little bit to fast forward this to 35:17, I think we were at.
And we put it on record. We put on record when you paused it. Did you write that down?
It was 35:17 was where we paused it. And so I'm trying to get there. This program doesn't make it real easy to just jump that far.
Sounds good.
Nope, went a little too far.
You don't think? Man, my boy Chris was growing up, he's doing it well, growing up big,
Can you put on closed captioning?
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, Judge, the transcript won't come up if I don't start it.
Start it over?
I'm not starting it over. I just have to roll from here to wherever we're going. So I'm just going to have to guess, and hopefully we're close.
No, we had ran into him at the House of Blues.
Sorry. One more time here. We may just have to listen to a little bit more than we...
I didn't hear Crips. Did you guys?
Just that night, seemed like dude stuck his head up our ass. You know what I'm saying? He's a special agent in charge of the major crime. It was just that night that dude made more life a little bit. You know, I did a bottom half. He came up here at least 10 times.
I'm going to stop this.
Before his interview in 2017, had you ever heard of Special Agent Holiday?
I don't think so. I don't remember hearing much about the federal investigations into him. That was new information to me.
Remember Darren Bailey?
I didn't hear it, but I'll give you guys this one. Number 11. I'm giving them 11. Compton Crips. I didn't hear it, but
Compton Crips.
Yeah, 11.
Going to Suge's house after they would win for parties in their backyard, like pool parties. He talked about a baseball coach at the Compton College who was dealing drugs. I think Keefe was like in middle schooler, and he started running as kind of a courier for that guy. It was his first introduction to the drug game. He talked about being in the Upward Bound program at UCLA. And there may have been one other detail in there, but all details that I've only ever heard in that interview and read in his book. So I conclude that the author could have only gotten those from him.
All right, Judge, I'm going to have to do a little bit to fast forward this to 35:17, I think we were at.
And we put it on record. we put on record when you paused it. Did you write that down?
It was 35:17 was where we paused it. And so I'm trying to get there. This program doesn't make it real easy to just jump that far.
Sounds good.
Nope, went a little too far.
Man, my boy Chris was rolling up, we doing a club tonight, rolling up weed down there. I guess they
Sorry, Judge, the transcript won't come up if I don't start it at.
Start it over?
Technically,
I'm not
it's
starting
not
it
the
over. I just have
audio,
to
it's the
roll
person.
from here to wherever we're going. So I'm just gonna have to guess, and hopefully we're close.
No, we had ran into him at the House of Blues.
Sorry, one more time here. We may just have to listen to a little bit more than we.
Just that night,
Peter sucks at this.
seemed like dude stuck his head up my ass on me.
Whoa!
Yeah. He's a special agent in charge of the major crime. It was just that night. That dude made more like a little bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it, but it's really not the audio, it's the person speaking.
He came up here at least 10 times.
I'm gonna stop this.
Before his interview in 2017, had you ever heard of Special Agent Holiday?
I don't think so. I don't remember hearing much about the federal investigations into him. That was new information to me.
Told the warden, we got up here, he's a serial killer. Like, oh, fuck. You know what I'm saying? Killing rappers.
Like, how did it, like, evolve? Like, you guys were cool, and then you hung out a lot together.
Not, when these people come to California, usually they meet up and have fun. I was involved with him. In fact, I was doing better than him back then. Shit. Fun.
Exactly, he mumbles.
Did he ever talk about Suge? Did he ever talk about getting scared?
You fucked up. Is that?
Did he ever talk about Suge? Did he ever talk about being scared and like getting all the bullshit, go back and forth, East Coast, West Coast shit?
You talked about that later on in our relationship.
That's right. That's what I mean. Like, you know, when did we get to that spot, that place where you guys were talking about that?
I remember my boy Zip was rolling up, he was going to the club one night, rolling up Green Lake in the neighborhood. His phone on. He was like, I guess they must have fucking played it. Something, I don't know. He's like, man, let me speak to Keefe. Got on the phone. What's up, dog? Like, man, I'm giving a concert out there. You know, we're going on a tour on the West Coast. That's where we was Texas cool and come out there. I said, why it wouldn't be cool? He's like, the big CEO guy. CEO guy? He's like, yeah, the big guy. I knew what he was talking about. It was like cold work and shit. So I guess I was kind of scared of the guy. So we went to the Irvine Mellors. It was some jam. Oh, it's the Irvine. We had the hottest song out of the world. You know what I'm saying? Shit, that song was One More Chance. Before we getting on the stage, Suge was right there. So I came off the stage, he asked me, man, how you know that? Same way I know you. I'll tell you that. So then, after that, we went to the San Diego concert. Matter of fact, the Dallas Cowboys stayed in the same hotel we stayed in.
Good, he's down all the same details. This did 10 years ago.
They office go all around that $140.
You hear that?
Mhm.
What was that? A hot mic?
Yeah. So they said they knew the guy that just testified had said they knew that there was a hot mic because Keefe kept saying it, but you could hear the whisper. It's good that he's repeating the same exact details, even though it's been 10 years.
Yeah, yeah. If you've seen the same exact thing, yeah, that's good.
Mm-hmm. At least on some of the things.
The guy that's on the stand is the one recording this time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
and he was sending text messages to the person named Mario who was interviewing him for BET for the doc.
Okay.
Trouble or not, boy, the Bronx was all around the yeah. Then we went to the Anaheim. That was on the Halloween night.
Perfect. Halloween.
Halloween night. We're school there too.
And he just give you passes for everyone. Like everyone would go concerts.
I just
Welcome
took
to
pictures with
Freedom.
my homies. I was riding in the van. I was on the stage with him every time. Yeah.
You get to hang out with Biggie, obviously. Right?
Yeah, Biggie was cool. Cool dude and everything like that.
So when did Puffy start talking about, Suge on a real serious level?
Never do this with an older cat.
Wet food or dry food? It's the question.
Oh, I didn't get one commercial
Stimulate
Friday.
fresh meat.
You back there?
Hey, Ronnie.
Yeah, we already established that.
Yeah.
Now, what'd you say?
I said, when did he start talking about Suge, like on a real serious level? Puffy.
Oh, being scared of Suge?
Well, or doing something more than that.
Hey, Calvin.
No,
No,
I'm really comfortable talking about that right now. When you see me in that suit, you got me. Right?
Okay.
I really thought that out.
Okay. So let's take a break. You can go smoke. Can you be back here?
Together?
I want to get more before the 2 o'clock.
Chucky.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to give me to my wife. Because she did
Valor.
take me back. I couldn't. I might have not been here.
What do you mean? Do you want me to?
I said I might have not been here.
Oh, of course, yeah. But she's not down.
Right?
She's not down there with you, right? She's in the hotel.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant like.
Well, I got to take care of her.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
After lunch, we'll do a little more, and then you're done. Okay.
All right. I'm gonna smoke.
Yeah, cool.
Mr. Dorsey, is that an example where maybe the tape was running before you now restart your recorder?
Correct, yeah.
And that is 3532.
Okay.
Get rid of this problem.
Yeah. Well, can you tell me what he told you? Like, his exact words. Do you remember?
Don't do that on the next one. I have that pretty soon on. All right?
All right. Hold on. So, say it in your own words then, not his words. What did he ask you to do?
Hey,
So say it in your own words then, not his words. What did he want?
I definitely want to get rid of them dudes, his problems. We get rid of his problems. Yeah.
And who were his problems?
CEO, the big guy. Yeah.
And when did? Yeah, because you said hit him up was a big deal for him, right? Like that was
That was
too.
Man, that was totally disrespect. You don't think so?
Yeah, I told you. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I think he even said something about us. To me, he didn't say our name, but he said whoever down with him, fuck them too. I'm like, damn.
And you guys were cool with that, with helping him?
No, we had ran into him at the House of Blues. This is Pop. Ran into him at the House of Blues. Him and the guy Big Sight, Outlaws. And
I think you're right, man.
he had just made that record. Long Beach and Rose band.
Sounds like Norfolk County.
Homies went up there and
Yeah, it does.
put him in a little team right here. Say,
Valor,
you
I'm
know
not
fuck that with me.
buffering.
Long Beach and Rose band. He's like, no, I'm just rapping.
No.
He's like, yeah, he's just rapping, man. He don't know nothing
Valor's
about
probably
that
refreshing
blood,
the screen.
motherfucker. So he was kind of scared that night.
A little bit.
And we go out in the parking lot
A little
and
bit.
whoop about 5 motherfuckers' asses. You know what I'm saying? And got into it with some dudes out there in the parking lot. And he's doing that shit. He's like, no, them dudes ain't no joke.
Sorry about that, guys. So how much did Puffy offer you? How much did Puff offer you? Wayne's gonna give the green light, right?
I don't have a good answer for you when I have one that suit on. I'm gonna take it through for you. Exactly, you know what I'm saying, the rate.
But he offered you. Can you just say he offered us some money or something like that? Can you say that it was money at least?
Yeah, it was money. Yeah, offered us money. Yeah. Yeah, he was kind of scared of it. He was really scared of the dudes. You know what I'm saying? Puff wasn't no gang. He was out of college and all that, performing arts school and all that shit. He ain't with that street life. But the really beef Jug should have had was it should have been with Wu-Tang. Wu-Tang them the one was doing the damn food after the food at the Source concert. They was calling you out. You two was picking some fucking kids, junior mafia. These are kids. You a grown ass man. You know what I'm saying? The beef should have been with the Wu-Tang. You want to take it out on the bad boys, some kids. You start up.
Chat, that's not us.
Well, that's because Tupac was having that shit.
Lit Biggie. Yeah.
He was Lil Shook hooked up with Tupac. All right, we're going against it.
Yeah, Valor, you should have been goofy.
Remember the Source Awards? He's like, every once in a while, you ain't got no love for two, you ain't got no love for the West Coast.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah.
Please don't do that again.
Watch what nail polish actually does to your toenail fungus. It's kind of hair. Crazy, right?
Yeah, crazy, right?
I feel it was a jealousy thing. He should have just been happy. Suge should have been happy. You making money, and this dude's making money. Be proud of each other. You know what I'm saying? Fuck, you want to bring each other down.
So why'd you want to get involved in that?
I didn't want to get involved in that shit. They brought it to us. You bring something to the gangsters. I told you that earlier. It's a cap pill.
Yeah, I hear you. Is it true that Biggie and those guys from Bad Boy used to hang out?
Yeah, they never really come. A whole lot.
Never.
Really, it's they had some bad cops around shit.
I read something about them hanging out in your girl's house in California.
They never
no pictures
never hung out there. Promise.
So let's cut to let's talk about Orlando. We have 10 minutes before we cut out for lunch. So I want to know like who your nephew is, and then not a lot of stuff to know about. Who is he? How old is he? What kind of family? Tell me a little bit about
Yeah.
Who we talking about?
He's well respected, intelligent.
Who, Orlando?
Orlando. My nephew Orlando. Well respected, good student in school. Everybody loved him. You know what I'm saying? He's just a likable guy. Everybody loved him. And he liked the Tupac too. You know?
involved in gang life. Okay. Yeah, was he involved in gang life at all?
He wasn't no gang. That's cool. Totally different between gangs and the gang people.
You want to talk to me about what happened at Lakewood Mall? Trevor Lane? Thing about the chain?
Yeah, I wasn't there.
Yeah, I know. But you can tell me the story because, there's only so many people who know it.
The guy, one of my little homies, wanted to play college football. There was scholarship. He was he wanted to help him get some stuff, like tennis shoes and sweats and clothes and stuff so he can send him to college. So he was there waiting on it. And then the homies come up there. And Trayvon, the three death row guys were there. I guess they was mad dog talking shit to him and shit like that. Shit. So homies came to the door, he seen them. Nice. First thing he did was sock the dude and snatched his chain. I could never snatch that guy's chain. Never. Marcus snatched his chain. Chains wasn't worth fucking for $300. Petty ass bullshit ass chain. Just smash a little it was whole like this. That fucking chain talking about some pounding and the punk ass chain. Yeah.
Just bounty on it.
Man, that little punk ass chains on me, come on.
So he didn't do it.
Orlando did not snatch that man's chain.
So why is it that Tupac then saw him and said, "That's the guy who snatched my chain"?
All this stuff was building up. It just went from the mall. One day we was on Sunset. Shit pulled up in this Rolls Royce. Him, Snoop Dogg was in the black. Tupac was in the white. I think we was at the Roxy. I was very with you. They pulled up in their Rolls Royces. Just bought 30, 40 clips out there. And this, he got that DVD. Oh shit. Jumped out his car talking to me. Sure, you like, is it cracking up here? Like, no, dog. He said, oh, Paradise is cracking.
The one thing, it just occurred to me too. He's saying that Tupac ripped the chain off his nephew, like he was intending to steal it. Why would Tupac need to steal his nephew's chain? Like Tupac had chains that were probably 10 times.
It's getting confused. It's the Lakewood Mall incident is where it happened. The kid that was going to the mall to get stuff to go to college, that everybody was there helping because he's a kid from the hood. And something went down there, and that's when the chain was grabbed off of him, the kid that was going to college.
Oh, okay.
So it wasn't Tupac.
All right. Because I was like, wait a minute, why would it be? Why would Tupac? Like, I could see if he grabbed the kid because he's gonna fight with him, but to grab and snatch a chain, like the man had millions. He didn't need somebody else's chain. When he had like one of his stones alone was worth the value of the kid's body.
He's got a walk-in closet full of that stuff.
Today I'm gonna wear 20 carats of diamonds on my pinky ring.
Yeah. Remember, even the cop, it was like, wow, look at that chain.
Yeah. And then the only other thing is now I've just caught where he said people are yelling out to him, Keefe D. Like, I get he knew people.
Doing that.
Yeah. Like,
I just want to point out, no one has paid for free space yet.
No one wants a free space. No one wants to see your biscuits, and everybody likes the commercials.
Shit, when we hit that street there on Santa Monica, dudes just started shooting. Shot up, shot his Rolls Royce to the red Godfather was laying in the street. I guess he figured that we was behind that too. We was with you, whatever with you, It's all kind of little different angles on that shit. It just went from
So talk to me about, because I'm really interested in knowing about that a little more. Like, how does the gang stuff feature into the story? Like,
The language used in this, I'm almost glad you can't understand
the
it.
whole thing. Well, you just told me about Suge. What else? What else was like building up?
We seen them brawls at Luna Park, little club on Santa Monica in Rockland. And them brawls just talking shit. And we just kind of push them around. We beat their ass, man. Let them know. And get it fucked up. And this town always been our town. The Crips.
Oh, look it, we have great entertainment. What's this commercial about? Don't you guys want to fund my channel? No, you don't. You like these commercials, don't you?
Look at Treehouse. It's the Treehouse.
I just left the state prison. Why? I was a MAC rep up there. There's 51 Crips, 4 Bloods. You know what I'm saying?
It's a snazzy
They know
jail.
they outnumbered, they can't win out here. Crips are more dominant than they are. And they know that.
But what made it kind of tense? Because before Death Row,
I
there's
thought
always
they were
tension.
two fools.
Between Crips and Bloods?
Yeah.
Yeah, our neighborhood's always been into it. Because we're on the same side of town. You know what I'm saying? Like the Ludus Park, Mob, and Hams. They go against the boys on the line. You know what I'm saying? But we always been dominant over there.
I'm going to call Street Code
That's why I
101.
don't understand Chris Brown, Justin Bieber.
45.
And what's the
45.
What's the tall, skinny guy that came and complimented me? What's that tall dude name? Came to Fruit Town.
Lamar?
No. What's his name? You know that Love in Hollywood show. Soldier Boy and all. Get in trouble out here, go to a state prison, Crips is gonna rape y'all. Justin Bieber, Chris Brown, you know what I'm saying? Y'all tripping on me.
Whoa.
I'm just trying to understand what happened back then. Back then, was it that they got...
No, I missed it. What'd you catch?
He's talking about Chris Brown and Justin Bieber.
Right.
Oh, like I heard Usher and the other names yesterday, but I missed the Chris Brown and Justin Bieber of it all. Because he even brought up B2K, and you know who else was involved with B2K?
Who?
Lou Pearlman.
Oh, that's right.
Uh-huh.
Oh, the producer?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. The other case that we followed, one of the attorneys, her husband
He's also
worked
an
with Lou Pearlman and with all these boy bands.
He worked on the contract. He's especially dirty.
Yeah, he's a monster, that guy, right?
Yeah, Lou Pearlman,
Yeah.
Like he was named with B2K, with Backstreet Boys, some of the female groups, a couple other boy bands, but he was also, Pearlman was accused, not only was he wiping them out of their money and just robbing them blind, but he was accused of having some kind of SA contact with the boys, wrestling with the boys, and then showing videos. He had cameras hidden in their hotel rooms where he would show the boys the girls' room and shower, and vice versa.
Wow.
Sick.
Yeah. Good catch, Roz. Like, I totally missed that. And when you said Bieber, that brought me right to Pearlman because of yesterday hearing B2K. Keefe.
Hockey? Is that what happened? Because they were with Suge? Is it that they got cocky? Is that what happened? Because they were with Suge?
I guess money get you cocky.
It's possible, Valor.
I guess money get you cocky.
Bieber says so.
They even beat up a rolling 60 and killed the guy at the club. Said DJ Quick and they jumped on the dude and all that shit. That's what I figured that shooting was about on Santa Monica that day when his hat was in the street. I was just telling you about. Damn, I guess they gonna get his ass. Mm. So this is more bad than anything. It's not just East Coast, West Coast. I can't tell you really behind it all. You know what I'm saying? Because it's some mafia shit. Family still out there. Yeah. Yeah. So much shit. Okay, no, I did that.
I'm starting to think there's a whole lot more to this conversation than we expected.
Yeah.
Europe river
Oh,
cruising.
look at this,
13
guys.
days,
We can go on a
$29.99,
Europe
including
Oh, my
flights
God.
with Holiday Max.
That's a hell of a deal.
God, see, your response was great. No. Wait, do you guys want a stateroom? Do you guys want to do a river cruise, or should we just go for the ocean?
I want to go on one of those riverboat gambler boat things.
Yeah.
Oh, that
would
sounds
be-
fun. Maybe the next commercial will be for a riverboat. The treehouse looked fun though.
Down in
Hope
Lake
it-
Charles. It's nice.
It better be.
I'm gonna torture the viewers today. You guys, that goal's still ticking. I could set another one. We will just play all the commercials.
Premium is right around the corner, people.
It's within our grasp.
It is.
Friday, I didn't get one. 5 hours, not one commercial, nothing. Even on the
Court
hamstring.
TV,
Now all the
Court TV turned up the ad volume. They're like, we want an ad every minute, every 3 seconds. I mean, yeah, they turned it up. They're like, if everybody's going to stream us, yeah, they're like, if everyone's going to stream us, we might as well turn up the
You're gonna
ads.
nail
Which
them with the ads,
you would
yeah.
think that they would have them off, but I guess they don't.
I know mine are off. Full says, live in a treehouse vacation on a cruise. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Uh-huh.
Yeah, she is. Feel me? I was just a street man, and he was just a studio man. Business one. The FBI thing we hit, then we can all see stop being the boss. That's why he jumped on it so fast. They, I can't really put him out there like that because he's still out there. You know what I'm saying? Like, our families go back since the 30s. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And there ain't no Ariel either.
Yeah, no. But I mean, yeah, Suge might be in jail for the rest of his life.
Yeah, you right. No, I think the police will start coming.
Good.
All of them gonna go around. All the cookie cops and shit, we really up against them. One of the city accomplices, they got Reggie Jr., Sergeant Reynolds, the mayor, all these dirty motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying? So we just gonna eventually have to have some shootouts with them ones. Eventually have some shootouts, you know what I'm saying? They just got busted too. Right? I loved it. I like, damn. They didn't get the main one though. They didn't get the main fucking dude. He just running around. He's still his job too.
What kind of sound was that?
Huh? They got Reggie and his dad. I said they didn't get the main one. His name Reynolds. Oh, really? Sergeant Reynolds.
Squealing.
Pulled over my 60 keys.
Yeah.
He's making my life.
Notice how clear he talks when he wants to really emphasize something.
Yeah.
So when he wants to get past something, that's when he's mumbling.
Yeah, it's mumbles and
We was lived out there with him. Even the mayor, his councilman. We up there.
I am so glad you can't hear what he's saying though.
Here come the mayor.
The language is
Man,
just
you gotta
awful.
sit your ass down, fool, and kill your ass. You know what I'm saying? Stupid bitch. You know? That dude was stupid. What was his name? Bradley? Omar Bradley? Yeah. That dude was stupid on him.
Let's eat some food, man. All right, thank you guys. We're back in 45. Are you leaving?
No, my thing about that
You're just there looking dapper.
wait till you see muscles, homie. Yeah. Woo.
Thanks.
All right, man.
You got a big word around?
Yeah.
Can I see? Oh yeah, okay. Where are we eating? Oh, it's in there. Okay.
You talking about Craig Cade's book? Okay. Yeah. Don't say nothing about no people. That's mine.
Oh.
Somebody sprung a leak.
Yeah. EPD is letting his hot air out.
Yeah. Awkward.
I'm sitting here. I got a blanket around me, and my dog took what was left of hanging off the chair and has wrapped herself under it.
Sorry to interrupt, but this is important.
Oh.
The shooter who murdered my
I thought
sweet
that
little
was Kazi
Daniel
at first.
brought a highly lethal weapon with him.
Sounded like his voice a little.
Yeah. Went to the Laker game. Brought us a game, Twin Styles, and
Once again, Mr. Darcy, and that's
A little bit. You'll touch up fast
He's
enough.
saying I look like him or I sound like him.
Sounded. Yeah, at first, maybe a little.
go back in. Right. Go back to party.
Unless was she saying you were squelchy? Star, were you calling Mikazi squelchy?
And then what happened?
What is that?
Then what happened?
I didn't hear
I'm
what
gonna
you
tell
said.
you that when I get on my suit.
Oh, come on. You can tell me a little bit. Just,
What's that?
you know,
Tech issues.
tell me a little bit of, I mean, this is why we're here. We want to hear the true story of what happened that night. Wayne, we need your permission.
Well, I mean,
Yeah.
what?
T42, happy birthday.
Yeah, I'm talking about that one later.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday.
to you.
You want to go to the aftermath?
Yeah, can you talk about, before the aftermath, can you talk about that, like, generally, just to give me something to work with? And then we can do it again in more detail. Yeah, like a summary.
Well, let me consult with him.
Yeah, that's okay.
Chucky, as soon as one comes on for ED, I'll make sure it plays all the way.
Venom, can you pause for a second?
Yeah.
T42 did not select a box, so do you want to make it free space, which is pay space? We're playing straight 7 down, 7 across. Straight bingo.
Yeah. Star's not playing Rainbow Bingo today. She only wants to play straight bingo.
What was that number again?
I support gay summers, all right? I just want to be clear. It's not my fault it's called straight bingo, okay? Talk to the bingo people.
47, Causey.
Yeah, 47.
Thank you.
47.
Star, you know, I think you need to make this a, universal, non-genderist bingo.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord. All right. I'll figure it out. Non-gay straight bingo.
Bingay.
Bingay.
Oh, no. Gay. How about I call it gay and straight bingo?
Non-binary bingo.
Yeah, non-binary bingo. I like it.
I like that one. Okay, we'll go with non-binary.
And Sister Sal coming in with 5 giftos.
I thought we weren't gonna say that, dude.
T42, is it your birthday?
No.
What?
It's her 1 month anniversary.
Oh,
no.
Yeah.
Woo!
You
One month.
So we got
Happy
She was my
birthday.
first member. So she was my first member. She popped the cherry of the stream.
Awkward. See, told you I was good with the gays.
This is a family show. Come on.
Yes, traveling fools. We're I'm trying to be very inclusive here. We include the non-binary bingo.
Sister Sal gets a box too. So now we need a box from
all these boxes being given
T42
away.
and a box from
They're going to
Sister
accuse us
Sal.
of, doing something possibly illegal. What were the numbers I'm adding here?
I don't know yet. I'm just saying
We
we
need
got
a
two. We got one for
non-binary box.
T42 and one for Sister Sal. Oh, Sister
Okay,
Sal
I'm
said
gonna-
pick one for her. So I'm going to go with the pay space. Let's go with pay space on that one.
I'm going to bounce out so I can set up part 2.
Okay.
All right. Bye, chat.
39. Bye.
39.
Pay space 39.
39.
And then we need T42 to pick one.
T42. Pick one. Pick one.
$22. 22 and 39.
Oh,
Flip it on the stands. Flip it
I
on the
remember
stands.
in bingo when people used to get the number 22 when my grandmother used to go play, they would make like quacking sounds and ring bells because it was a double duck, whatever that means. Like they would make ducky sounds.
They used to bring all the trinkets and put them in front of them.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
All the lucky trinkets.
Little troll dolls and lighters.
With 8,000 cards and like 3 different colored stampers.
What
Yeah, we used to make fun of them because everybody smoked in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
They'd be like, "Bingo, got a butt."
They'd be smoking and eating a piece of pizza or a coffee cake or pie
Yep.
or something.
I used to laugh because it was almost like they were burning the cigarettes as incense instead of actually smoking them. They would all just
Right.
sit there.
Yeah, I think there were
And I'm
more
like,
that
do we
that
need
rested.
3,000 butts going at the same time in here right now?
No,
Yeah,
more
that place was
rested on
big.
the ashtray. Sorry, Cuz. What'd you say, hon?
My mom used to play bingo a lot back in the day. So,
Yeah, did she have her own bingo bag?
Yeah, I mean, she didn't have trinkets. She wasn't a weirdo, but she smoked cigarettes. You walk in there, just whatever, grab $5 off her or something, walk in there and be like, "Oh my God, like can't see him." It was so much smoke.
My grandmother, she had certain colors, the little bingo chips. She'd have certain colors that she'd play at certain churches. And then, at the VFW, she'd have another color.
Yeah.
And of course, they had to be opposite of what the dauber was. So if she had like a blue dauber, she'd have a red chip.
Yeah, very superstitious
Green, she had
people.
yellow. It was wild. Okay, we'll start this up.
Hello. Hello?
Hello?
This guy in is texting.
Have you ever seen a product that transforms any ordinary space into a dreamy
Oh,
underwater
no, we
world
don't
in
need
just
this
1
product.
second?
Do we, Chad?
That
Meet
looked
the
cool.
Camaro Immersive Ocean Projector,
It
the
looks
mood light
cool,
that's
but I
taking the
find it
market by
hard to
storm.
believe that little camera does that.
Me too.
Dolly
Hello.
Parton has passed.
What?
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Dolly Parton
What?
has passed.
Get out of here. Dolly
Dolly
Parton?
Parton? Are you kidding me? Oh no.
No.
Passed at the age of 80.
Icon.
Oh my
Wow.
gosh. Oh my God. Like the woman, she looked so healthy. I mean, you heard she had some health problems, but I mean, oh my, that's shocking. She just did that.
Well, she revealed in September, I guess last September, that she was postponing the set of Las Vegas concerts to deal with some health challenges.
Yeah, and I heard she
reading
just
about to see.
they opened up a Dolly Travel Center to compete with Buc-ee's that's, I guess, right down the street from her Dollywood. So she opened up her own version of Buc-ee's called Dolly's Travel Center.
Wow.
And she's already telling me, yes, expert knows that, Venom. Well, there, I can't believe she's gone. That, oh, ow, that's sad. That's really sad. She's like,
I can't find anything that says what she passed from, so I'm still looking.
I'm not saying 80s young, but you figure someone like her would go like,
yeah.
but
I mean, look at some,
It looked like she took care of herself too. Like, but you know, her husband passed in March of 2025.
I
and
was
if
just
anything
going to
is
say,
going to
didn't
set
he
you
just
down a
pass?
bad path. It's
broken heart. Yeah.
Yeah, is losing.
Yeah,
your,
considering how long they were together and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Oh, Traveling Fool says, do we need to investigate Buc-ee's? You know, Fools, we may have to check into Buc-ee's. Is there a conspiracy between Buc-ee's and Dolly Center, you know, the travel center? Because she is the true Tennessean. So, I mean, what's Buc-ee
were
got to say about
married.
it? And her station is servicing the big rigs and the trucks where Buc-ee's don't. They discriminate the truck drivers at the Tennessee truck stop. Yep. Kelvin says she passed from cancer.
Mm.
Oh, she was married for almost 60 years to her husband.
Wow, 60.
Yeah, 58 years.
Oh,
crazy.
That's sad.
She was awesome. She was awesome.
Yeah. She was definitely a good one.
Yep.
You know, she passed down her biscuits to me, you know.
Oh,
So,
are you who got the
special
biscuit?
bonds? Yeah, I got the
Well,
biscuits.
I don't think the chat wants to see your biscuits. They're
No,
not
they
interested. And yeah, guys, just so you know, I'm streaming till 2:30, and then Roz is going to take over. That's 2:30 Central, because I've got to make a couple runs, so she will be picking up the stream at 2:30.
She means driving somewhere. She's not running anywhere. Let's be real.
I do have weights. I do exercise.
You can't even run to the bathroom, Venom. Who are we kidding?
I
No,
trot.
I'm just kidding.
I trot to the bathroom. I trot.
Quickly. You trot.
But I do have weights. I have 5 pounds and 2.5 pounds. They hold my curtains down.
Yep, I used to have those as well.
It's what the trucks lure in the Buc-ee's said nope to. Oh. Gonna have to really check into that Buc-ee's. Why aren't you?
What's Buc-ee's?
Oh my God, Cosy.
Chucky thought you said you had the runs.
Buc-ee's is this huge gas station travel center that they started opening up in like Florida, Ohio. I think there's probably about 4 or 5 other states. There's, I kid you not, 100 gas pumps. And
really?
A lot of them do have pumps where they're fueling the trucks and the like
diesel and
yeah. And the inside of the store is this huge like shopping mecca and food court. And we're not talking just like regular gas station food. We're talking like they have some really good delicacies that like are off the chain.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to check out
Dolly's
Buc-ee's
her
one of
own
these
version.
days.
Yeah, I'm telling you. You ask Baker about it. Baker
Will do.
Yeah, he would not. I guess he was making a big thing. Like he had to buy shirts and everything for his grandkids and the grandbaby that's coming. But even Baker has been to Buc-ee's. Like even with the World Cup, people from all over the world, when they found out there was a Buc-ee's in whatever state they were in, were literally filming from them because they couldn't believe a gas station had clothing, showers. Some places I've heard even have movie theaters.
Wow.
For the long extended drives that people just want to get off the road and relax.
Right.
It's crazy. But they do everything from Italian to barbecue, Southern, you name it, it's there.
Well, cool. If I ever make it out there one day,
yeah, you might want to check around your area because I wouldn't doubt if there's one maybe between you, Connecticut or something, or
maybe down that way, but not around here.
no, I'm in Boston. No, I've never heard of one in Boston.
Yeah.
And or up in the Cape. Like I don't even think the Cape would want one near them. They'd be like, I don't think your standards fit.
Oh my God, Bucky's sells beaver nuggets. Nuggets.
Beaver nuggets.
Awkward.
Beaver nuggets.
Full says you stop for gas and spend $200 on trinkets, t-shirts, and food. That's right.
I thought my biscuits were bad. Gimmick. Now you want my beaver? Oh,
well, they just want the nuggets to your beaver and the butter for your biscuits.
Do they sell the beaver pills behind the counter?
Yeah, I bet they do. Okay. I bet they do.
And it's a corn puff. It's like a cheese doodle, but beaver.
Wait a minute, cheese doodles?
Wow. Mm-hmm. It's like a cheese.
How
doodle.
does a cheese doodle?
It's a cheese doodle. You know, the puffy thing.
We just call them Cheetos.
No, that's a brand name of a different thing.
Bring up my screen.
So are they like beer nuts?
Bring up your screen.
You never seen cheese puffs?
What screen do you want me to do, Star?
Bring up my screen. Oh. You should see a screen for me.
You gotta make me do this stuff here. Let me take this one off so we can add this one.
Here we are.
Those are beaver nuggets.
Here's the beaver nuggets right here.
They don't look like beaver nuggets.
Well, because they're no longer in the shape of a beaver.
Well, Cosy, how do you know what a beaver nugget looks like?
I wouldn't.
You've got experience with the beavers.
I wouldn't. I watch National Geographic. I mean, that's it.
He's big on the beavers. He watches a lot of.
Chucky says Bucky's is coming to Martha's Vineyard.
No, it isn't.
Martha will ban Bucky's.
The thing about the vineyard is there's no places like that out there whatsoever. They're not allowed. No Walmarts, McDonald's, nothing like that. I'm sorry.
That's all outcasted. Wow. Like I took a trip the last time I was in Boston and we went up to Martha's and we went to the Cape and stuff. That was maybe 99. We never seen anything that was remotely discounted. As we got closer into the more elite areas, no. And I don't blame them. Which we'll see. Poor beavers. Those poor beavers, they're getting skinned all the time.
Yikes.
Get your beaver.
Protect the beavers.
Hashtag save
the beavers. Maybe we should start wearing cups too.
Chucky said National Geographic got him through the first year of high school. Chucky, I bet he had all the additions to all the South African and native tribes of the what is it? I can't think.
The closest one to Boston is in Washington. The closest one to Boston is in Washington.
Oh, see, well, if you're ever doing a road trip, Washington is your closest Bucky's.
Mount Crawford, Virginia. Mount Crawford, Virginia, actually.
Okay.
Crawford, yeah.
Bucky's it is.
You gotta travel to.
We'll send Bucky's. We'll send Cosy to go investigate Bucky's. Oh wait, Fools has a Bucky's by him too. He can go investigate. We can get a difference of different states. Investigate the differences.
Yeah.
There you go. And give reviews.
Yeah.
You guys ever been to Fuddruckers?
Yeah.
Love that place.
A lot of them have gone out of business, haven't they?
Yes.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
We used to have a place called, which I always confuse with Omar's name, the Tilted Kilt.
Hmm.
And
Don't
every
forget
time I
to get
seen
your
Omar,
passport.
I was literally calling him the Tilted Kilt. It was like, no, he's the Tilted Lawyer.
Don't forget to get your Bucky's passport. There's a first timer, a road warrior, a brisket boss, a state hopper, a Lone Star legend, and a completionist.
Boy,
Wow.
Bucky's better sponsor us and get me some
Yeah.
commercial-free YouTube at this point.
This live stream brought to you by Bucky.
Bucky's.
Kazi will be
Where you can get
our announcer.
your beaver nuggets.
If you want a Red Bull, fill up your tank and possibly get some gourmet food, come on into Bucky's.
We're not responsible for your gas.
Yeah.
Don't forget the beaver on the way out.
Don't forget the beaver puffs.
Yeah. And Machado, be warned, they do not have macchiato pistachio lattes there. So you'll have to deal with the
No,
with the
we
milk.
also called ahead and said, don't let her in.
Yeah. We got a banner from Bucky's.
She's just gonna start
Hey,
screaming
Bucky's, ban
at
Machado.
people. Do you have any Asiago bagels?
Faves, I am going to give you hosts need a sidebar.
Legal
We did.
tubes.
We took
Yes.
a sidebar over.
We are officially on a
Bucky's.
sidebar.
Sidebar.
We're sidebarring. Was that 42?
Yes. No, that's not
No?
42. Hold on. I got to find it. Sidebar.
I mean, you only have one job today, and that's to keep track of the
No, and I
numbers
lost
and
it
the
already.
words.
I lost it already.
Is
You're
it
so
everybody
busy.
needs a sidebar?
Everybody
Yeah,
needs
you
a
need
sidebar. Yeah.
18.
There it is. 18.
Thank you.
Number 18 is
At least
Nicole.
Kazi isn't trying to promote his beaver and biscuits over.
I'm sitting here trying to protect my beaver. I can't even think.
Maybe my biscuits, but not my beaver.
Oh, that's it. Now we're really going to the. Do you see this, guys? We got Kazi slinging biscuits. Stars doing beavers and biscuits, and he's got nuggets.
Awkward.
What's next? What's next?
You never know with us. For
Um,
God's sakes, you never
fruit
know.
by the foot.
Oh, well,
Like that
so
guy's
much
tie.
So much for non-binary bingo.
Is that in my pocket? Yeah, tell him come here for a minute.
Right. There's the Viva Liquor Company, too. Parking in the rear. Parking in the rear.
Well, there's a place in Attleboro called Bunghole Liquors.
No. Oh, boy. I'm going to look it up, right?
Yep.
Bum.
No, I'm sorry, Taunton. It's in Taunton.
I apparently didn't spell it right. Bamboo Liquors?
No,
Is that it?
Bunghole.
What the freak? Why are you giving me the wrong?
Bunghole. Bunghole.
Okay. All right. Bunghole. Here we go. We're going to Bunghole Liquors in Salem, Massachusetts. There's one.
Yep.
Oh boy. Just trying to compete with the Beaver Liquor Company, Rosie. Just trying to compete.
Liquor in the front, poker in the rear. All right. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Bunghole Liquors. Here we go. Whoa. thing is drunk over here.
With the bungholes.
This thing is drunk over here. Bunghole Liquors. There was 5 pictures. What happened? I guess I don't want to share. It's only showing 1 pic. It's only showing 1. It's right here.
Well, one's all you need.
Bunghole Liquors. Bungware. You can get your bungware.
What town is it in?
It was Massachusetts. Let me go back.
It doesn't really matter. It's just the fact the name is Bunghole Liquors.
Yeah, Bunghole. Where did it go? Hold on. Here we go. It's in Salem, Massachusetts.
Yep. There's another one too, but that's okay.
There's merch.
Yeah, get your bunghole merch today.
I'm scared of what the merch might look like.
Yeah, it's probably not going to be great, but
Here it is. Oh, it's just the barrel. And a hat with the barrel.
a bunghole hat. I get one of those.
That's puking. Apparently, the barrel is puking.
That's nice.
Drink too much. Drank too much. Bottoms up. Your bottoms up mugs. Your cozies. Or your koozies, or whatever you people call them. And your beer opener. I mean, you always need a beer opener.
We call them beer sweaters.
Beer sweaters.
Yeah.
That's what we call them.
Mhm.
Get your beer sweater here.
Yep.
It's a nice ring to it. Get your beer sweater here. All right.
Sorry for the derailment.
Back to the, yeah. That's so funny. Back to the programming. But back to regular.
All right, we got to discuss over that. So by the next time, I didn't. He asked me to come down here last week, but I never did get a chance to talk to him. That's why I wasn't ready for it. But y'all forced me to hard. I want to know what I can say and what I can't say. So I got to discuss that because I do get from fucking jail. Give me the death penalty. They can give me the death penalty only. And just one, he was just fucking. He was just like a fucking. He was like I deserve. What you saying? You hear me? Yeah. It's way more than him.
Did you hear he thinks women are inferior to men in the household? He said abortion was worse than the Holocaust.
This is an area where he may not most people have it worse. Right. So let's do this on the next one. Okay. Once I get told with him, and he tell me what you can do. Yeah. Okay. You don't want to get me locked up. No, he's still gonna address it. It's just that yeah, I just got to go to something with him. I didn't want to tell y'all that just morning and stuff like that. Dude said, come talk to him before I do this.
If he didn't do it, why is he afraid of getting the death?
Because I make him look like an asshole, they're going to lock me up. Let me tell you. Yeah. Okay? Yeah. That's why I wanted to consult him first. Yeah. Y'all pushed me to do this.
So where do you want to pick it up?
Where do you want to go right now?
Because you said...
You want to do the aftermath?
Yeah.
Okay. Look.
The man's got to eat.
Real.
Did you? We got food, right?
Yeah.
The man's got to eat. It looks like he ate enough. I'm just saying.
All right, so we're going to take this. After the fact, after the murder, yeah?
The aftermath. We go, we get home, so we on my street. It's about 4:15. Reggie Wright Sr. He was the captain of the Compton Police back then. I guess he must have did his war room with the oncoming shift. As soon as he did that shit, that motherfucker jumped in that police car, came on my motherfucking street, from a random stop sign and everything, doing about 70. Pulled up on the wrong side of the street, jumped out of his car. He said, listen here, you motherfucking Keefe D. You motherfuckers killed my motherfucking son, the belts is coming off. I'm like, man, what the fuck is you talking about? Like, you heard me, motherfucker. I'm like, damn. So, with my immediate crew, I said, look like they were trying to get into it. Trying to get in. So we have to watch these motherfuckers. So we stopped hanging around there right then. So we seen they had the back of the police.
What does he mean by like my son?
His son is fucking children, man. He's Suge's man. You know what I'm saying? All them, they from the same neighborhood and everything. David, Mac, all them dudes, man. So we really had it rough. So we might have to go to war with the police. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't just the gang members. They had the police shit.
Right.
Feel me?
Who else? Was there anybody else after you?
I don't know. You know what I'm saying? They got a lot of deranged fans and everything. You know what I'm saying? Shit, some girl might. You know what I'm saying?
When did the cops finally get to you?
No. When we got back, the Moon Man on MTV was like, Keefe D nephew. So it looked like Suge told from day one. You know what I'm saying? So like that motherfucker told from day one, Keefe D nephew. Why the fuck you use my fucking name? You know what I'm saying? I just didn't understand that, you know? Keefe D nephew. Moon Man coming on every hour. You know the little Moon Man? Like, damn. You know? Kind of. The nation called me. And said, come meet me. Go to the condo and that's a public. And when met him at the Chevron right there, he's like, dog, I'm going to jail. I said, what? He said, yeah, I'm going to jail. I'm like, no, homie. Like, man, I'm out of here. I ain't seen that motherfucker since that day. So, you know, I kind of hate I met Puff. So they destroyed my life. Now these super rich motherfucker ain't even sent me a pair of Sean John drawers or nothing. You know what I'm saying? God damn. Or noodling while I was in jail. You know what I'm saying? Just left me for dead out here. You know what I'm saying? That ain't the way fucking, you know what I'm saying? That ain't the way the game go. You know? Shit. Had your back, you ain't have my back, though. You know? Yeah.
When did you talk to police?
What's that?
You gave them a statement at some point, right?
I gave them a statement?
Yeah.
No.
No?
No.
Well, I mean, the proffer deal is a statement, no?
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. What's up, man? You just ain't gonna say nothing back there?
Yeah, this is part of the same thing. It's like,
You think you just said you just
you're
gonna
saying
sit
at some
back
point you did talk to police. Is that not true?
I think that's what he
Is that?
said.
Remember what I told you outside? That's why I didn't want to do this today.
Right. Well, I mean,
you know, some shit to give me motherfucking, you know. Yeah.
So,
all right, I hear you.
Well,
didn't talk to police?
Asked me to meet him last week, but I wasn't able, man. My wife was sick, homie. I could have had all your answers, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I didn't want to tell you all that, all my business like that, you know, but force my hand.
That named Tara.
All right.
Yeah. Let me just see what I can talk to you about that, because a lot of the stuff I have here is about that night. You know?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have all the answers, though. I swear.
So you're not talking about it? Is that what we're saying?
I think.
Can you talk about Zip and talking to Puff afterwards?
Have you ever seen a product that transforms any ordinary space into a dreamy underwater world in just 1 second?
This light.
Yeah, I mean, at some point you needed to talk to them about shit. Is that the same shit?
Yeah.
Was that?
Jesus Christ.
Well, did you? So after that happened, did you get in contact with Zip?
I mean, Zip was together. He was with us at the point.
No, and afterwards you didn't see him. He didn't come back to LA with you, did he?
Yeah.
Oh.
We went up to Wingstop, Wings, LA Wings right there on the 3rd and the bread. Right there on the side with Pink, you know, Pink Zips. They got the LA Wingstop right there on the
It was Zip.
Yeah.
It was Beverly, though, or Melrose.
Yeah, so that we don't waste our time, can we do something where you can talk to me and then you can get approval? You get approval whether you use it or not. But otherwise,
We only can answer 3 questions on it. I'm gonna go into full detail with you and everything on it.
no, you don't have to do.
Once I get the green light where I'm covered, you know what I'm saying? Because I can't make them look like a goddamn asshole down.
Hey, Robert. Robert, you could buy a peak for as low as a $2 super chat.
What is that clicking?
That's the guy that's on the stand, Michael Dorsey. He's texting questions to the interviewer Mario for him to ask Keefe while they're recording him.
You can turn that off. Like,
no, it's in the actual recording that they have.
Oh, really?
It's in the
Okay.
court recording.
All right.
You hear his messages going off with the ping. You hear him typing,
Okay.
talking.
All right.
We was after they asked Mr. Man laid low. He the one who flew out to the Caribbean and shit. But we
Barnes, quit telling our secrets.
we had to stay sharp, man, because we had to watch out for the police, had to watch out for them. You know what I'm saying? We laid low.
You're talking about the
So, I think this you can answer. Why didn't they bring up any charges against Orlando?
They can't prove it.
Give it to me in a 15 seconds.
Why they didn't bring him charges? Because I know they can't prove it.
They talked.
Yeah, they raided everybody else. I think it was October 7th or something like that. Raided everybody else.
Legal tubes.
Just so happened.
You got my attention.
My homie's he's a grease strap guy. They pick up the old cooking grease. He came, knocked on my door about 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock. Said KVD, the FBI, and about 100 police is at the donut shop. I told him, wait 1 minute. I grabbed my shoes. I put on my pants, grabbed my shoes and shirt and stuff. Left my car and everything. I jumped in the truck with him. Told him to drop me off at the Metro Red. I missed the raid by 5 minutes.
Huh.
Otherwise, it would have got me.
Did you say somebody tipped him off?
Mm-hmm. So
Who
let's go
was
back
it?
to Orlando because he passed away, unfortunately. So
Yeah.
maybe you can talk about what he did that day without mentioning you. Is that something you feel comfortable doing?
Robert, I'm not ignoring you, hon. I said hi when
you
you
can't
came in.
implicate him. He's dead. There's nothing that can happen.
What's that?
Can you talk about what Orlando did that night?
I just
The
texted
night
In Vegas, without mentioning you at all, just talk
he
about
went to the
him.
hospital. He went to the hospital to get his shoulder fixed and stuff like that.
No, I'm talking about before that.
We got to get sold. There's 3 questions that's stuck on. I got to go to the soul with this man because
I'm just saying he's not. There's nothing. I mean, Wayne's a lawyer. Wayne, can you confirm that? Can he talk about Orlando without?
This is clogged arteries.
If you have clogged arteries, you better get them cleaned out.
Mentioning
Because you're probably gonna die.
What I don't think half these viewers realize, but what you guys type in chat, I've learned this from Shizzy Wiznut. What we discuss on YouTube and what you type in chat is what builds our algorithm. So if you guys talk about, I don't know, if I start talking about douches or erectile dysfunction or hemorrhoids, congratulations. It has now been put into your algorithms.
Yeah.
So as you guys are laughing at my commercials, this is from stuff you guys have said or other streamers have joked about, but now I'm going to help your algorithms. So while you're busy thinking about, are you totally clean when you step out of the shower, ladies? Well, Massengale is the douche for you.
Well, I just like the happy little song they had about clogged arteries. If you have clogged arteries, there's good news. There's a new medication that's out. And it's probably going to help a little bit. Maybe not. It's just like, what?
It'll help unclog your arteries, but it'll kill your kidneys.
Yeah. It's going to make a lot of other shit be bad, but at least the arteries will be somewhat a little bit better.
We'll save your life one way, but kill you the other.
Right. It's a trade-off. Don't even ask.
Full sense. Can we go back to the European cruises and tree houses?
Yeah, what about the riverboat gambler stuff? That was a lot lighter.
Listen, the riverboat gambling, Kelvin brought up that, you get to go on the riverboat gambling without the attacks of the old Wild West, but I think they should retheme it. There's places you can go where they have themed stuff. Could you imagine going on a riverboat gambling and have the cowboys come in and rob you?
Every man for himself.
Right, yeah.
That'd be cool.
We went to an amusement park. We took my boys. I don't know if it's really an amusement park, but it was called Tweetsy Railroad in North Carolina.
Mm-hmm.
And you get on the steam engine and they have a train robbery. They do a whole thing. They jump the train. They ride up on horses. They get on the train. They rob you. They have the shootout. It's a whole thing.
Did you ever hear of a place called Action Park?
No.
Well, it's no longer around. They used to call it Traction Park because so many people died there.
Oh no.
Yeah.
What did they do?
I mean, like all the rides, like it was just
just like really scary.
A rickety, like just. If you ever get a chance, look up Action Park, and you'll be astounded. It was crazy.
I'm gonna have to now.
I think it was in Ohio. Yeah.
I don't know if I'd ride half the rides in Ohio. I keep hearing about that one that's right off of what is that, Lake Erie? No, that's not Lake Erie, is it?
The Ohio River?
No, it's not. It's that one big, like it's all roller coasters.
An actual. Okay.
Yeah, and
Flags?
like Cedar Point. That's it.
Oh.
Cedar Point, Iowa. Like they have supposedly their coasters are always making the news because they're either breaking down and people are stuck in points that the fire department has to try and come and save you.
Yeah.
Or just getting like fatal injuries.
Yeah. I've been on some rickety roller coasters in Massachusetts. It just made out of like 2x4s. Like it was nuts. Paragon Park. You guys remember Paragon Park or like Whalum Park? Like
now I've heard of Wayland, but I've never heard of the other one. Oh, Liz says I'm right. It is Lake Erie. I am pretty decent at geography. I'm patting myself on the head.
Class Action Park, yeah. Traction Park or Class Action Park, yeah. Look at it. It's wild. It's wild, yeah.
They literally now it's fans that called it Class Action, right?
Yeah, it's just, I mean, it's infamous. It's one of the most famous, awful places.
Babe says her son goes there. No thanks. That sounds like fun though. If you want to be daring, I would go just to bet the over and under on which ride survives, because I keep looking at these parks that are in year-round four-season states that have roller coasters still, and I want to know who's servicing the wood, because you don't see those tracks come down. So, at what point is that structure still considered safe? Like, how are they ensuring that wooden roller coaster isn't rotting?
Well, was another big problem with Traction Park was the insurance, and then they didn't pay out, and people got screwed, and it was just bad.
Listen, Bingo Burns, nobody's ever too old for a coaster, okay? Nobody. You just got to check with your doctor if you can handle it.
Now a tilt-a-whirl might be a different thing.
Tilt-a-whirl, that's what happens after you've gone out bar hopping or doing a bar crawl.
Yeah,
you get home, you lay down, and the tilt-a-whirl starts.
Yeah, and yeah, I won't even bring up but I've seen people get sick on the tilt-a-whirl before, and it's not fun because they're like across from you.
What?
Was anything called while I was away?
No, we were waiting for you.
Oh, okay. I'm back.
We derailed from it.
Derailed.
Venom Services, the wood is
amusement parks. I mean, quickly went to that. Yep.
Hey, Jekyll.
I'm adding derailed to next week's card.
Venom Services wood. CossyG nuggets.
my nuggets and my beaver puffs or whatever those things are.
Well, it's been fun streaming court today. We'll see you next week.
Good night, everybody. That's as good as it
Thanks
gets.
for playing.
CossyG has left the building.
Who the hell needs a bingo?
Brando just showed up too.
Oh, we got a Brando sighting.
Hey, Brando.
Brando sighting.
To the card.
Hello, Brando. Look at. Oh. He's like, Dad, I was sleeping.
He's looking out the window. It's his favorite thing.
He's waiting for a bird to come by.
Yep. He actually, when he sees people walking down the road, he gets pissed. Like, what are you doing? Walking down the road. Right? All these tourists. He knows what's up.
Oh. Yeah.
Now it's just CossyG. The rest of us can go home.
I knocked you off. Oh my God.
51. We're calling 51.
Okay.
That's what I asked Mario. I said, see if what does he know about what Orlando did that night without including himself in that? Do you know what I mean?
Okay.
Because Orlando's dead. Been dead almost 20 years.
Mm-hmm.
Did Orlando go after Tupac that night after the fight?
Huh?
I gotta do my job.
No, he didn't go after Tupac.
They were laughing.
Did not.
Man, wait till I get on the suit, man. You keep on. Let's go somewhere else. You want to talk about Puff? Something like that?
What's that? I did. didn't want to answer, but I'll ask you. Okay. Did you try to get money from Puffy after the fact for the deal that you had arranged for him?
No, because it was hot.
Ditch those heavy and uncomfortable false eyelashes. The era of falsies is officially over. This is the
Or you could just take, you know,
you
you could just take care of your real ones.
and their makeup artists.
Except if you don't have a lot of real ones like me.
Because we smart in
No.
this game. You know what I'm saying? Otherwise, they'd take your ass
Venom
down.
the Banner
They
at
would bend
51.
your ass down. You know what I'm saying? And,
Bossy.
What was your plan?
I seen him, well, maybe like 6 months later.
Like it's there. I don't know what you guys don't
at the
see.
House of Blues right there.
Been there.
Now it's there.
And he
It's
invited
been there.
us to
No, it wasn't.
the Pretty
It
Pictures
was.
Museum the night before.
I checked.
And we went up there. He was up there partying. I seen him at the Pretty Pictures Museum. He like KBD. The FBI is all over us. I'm saying if you want to catch our heat, you know what I'm saying? Shit, they up in this party right now. I'm like,
Thank you,
really?
Liz.
Like, yeah. So that's why I didn't understand how the fuck Biggie can get killed. You know what I'm saying? If the FBI out around here, you know what I'm saying? So they up in the party and everything. Ever since we got off the plane. Fuck.
God, I just thought of something I never thought of.
We'll talk about Biggie in a second, but did you ask him for?
That's why there's
the
no
money
way
that
Keefe and the
he owed you?
Southside Crips kill Biggie.
Was that?
Did you ask him for the
Fucking
money that he
Puff
owed
and the
you?
FBI are all over.
No,
him. So Keefe would have been like, fuck, the FBI are outside right now. Murder's off. We can't kill him right now. God, I never put that together before.
And what's is it true that there's a rumor going around that Zip got half the money?
That's what the FBI said.
Hey, Danielle.
Say it again, because I don't.
That's what the FBI said. That Zip got the money.
Do you believe it?
They's a motherfucker. See, Donald
Whoa.
Trump
Oh.
Jr. right now in trouble.
Trump and
all
Trump
these
Jr.
fucking emails and shit. They're a motherfucker. You know they're a motherfucker.
Did you talk to Zip about the money?
No, yeah, man. As soon as I left, I told you that man Ted Holiday had his head up my ass, homie. I still got invoice from him. You know what I'm saying? Shit, that dude's a motherfucker. He head of the major crime unit. Shit, that dude's a motherfucker, dude. You know?
So, but I mean, here's the thing. You're not upset about not getting paid? Were you not upset about not getting paid?
It's the time to get paid. I was trying to pick the perfect spot, dude. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to just pick the perfect spot.
Oh.
What did he just
Let
say?
me
Perfect
just
surprise?
Backtrack here for a second.
He just said, let me take this back. They're talking about the perfect place to hit Pac. He wants to be like, yeah, he wants a safe. I don't know if they come up with a spot, but he doesn't want to be here. And
Now
then the guy
remember-
says, what? Remember? What star?
If you wanna go backwards,
Mm-hmm.
you can hit your left arrow and it'll move 10 seconds back, and then you can hit it multiple times if you want to go back. So you don't have to try and scroll it, because scrolling it just makes you go all over the place. Well, for me anyway. I end up losing my spot. So just wanted to remind you.
Okay, thank you.
The left arrow key if you want to back it up.
Right?
What you gonna do with the money in here?
Right. No, I mean, because you were saying, like, yeah, I didn't do it then, I didn't do it. I just want to make sure that, you know, I want to know where your head's at. You had a plan.
I am a kingpin that was making more money than Paul than we were then.
You're picking your spots, too.
Yeah.
Right. I hear you.
Playing my cards right. Yeah. Not at all. Hey, but we was up under a microscope. You know what I'm saying? They got crooked ass Compton police feeding these dudes downtown all the information. You don't understand, homie. Y'all need to be on our fucking side, homie. You know what I'm saying? Everybody on Tupac's side and all these other dudes' side, they should be on our fucking side. We the one who was catching it. Had crooked Compton police, crooked Red Bar. You know what I'm saying? Right. They telling them people downtown the FBI shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Yeah. No, I hear you.
Yeah, I mean, we was up against it, homie.
Yeah, how dare they bust me, the distributor and banger of the neighborhood?
Yeah, come on, man.
Stuff like,
I think Pip has entered. Do we have a Pip sighting? No,
Memory magic.
No, it was me. Something I did.
Yeah. Go over everything.
Yeah, that's okay.
He gonna give me the green light.
Right.
Yes or no?
Pip
Is it true that you went to the
here
that Hollywood Walk of Fame ceremony for Puffy?
We have.
Where you heard that from?
We have Faves with a $4.99 super chat for Stars Biscuits, calling number 36 Memory Magic Box.
Oh boy.
Mm-hmm.
I have to step away then.
You gotta do the biscuits.
All right, hold on. I gotta step away for un momento. We'll be right back. Gotta get ready, Gotta go get ready.
Powder up those biscuits, get them nice and plumpy.
Just like the Humpty dance, right? Just hit them in the biscuits.
Oh my God.
She's gonna do the Humpty Plumpty biscuit dance.
The one's got busy in a Burger King bathroom.
Do the hump. The Humpty day.
It's a hell of a song.
Do the hump, the hump. Do the hump, the hump. And guys, before you say it, French, we already called panel raps. We already did that. We already got host raps. Stars rapping her host right now. Oh, okay, Stars.
Are you ready?
We're ready for the biscuit.
Nice.
Star, you're gonna get me struck for those biscuits.
I'm gonna start only biscuits.
Guys, you must be 18 or older to see Star's Grand Biscuit.
Yeah. This is a family show. We've already gone too far a couple of times.
So you've seen my biscuits.
Oh my gosh.
He said it.
So much for being caught up on court, guys.
Right.
T says they're great biscuits, Star.
They are. They're the best.
There's too many people, so you can really get close to them.
Good, he confirmed it.
My boys did run into him at a club.
When?
Society, we were keeping it out and all that shit. And he like, man, post every quarter post send me like $20,000 worth of clothes. Like, ain't that a bitch? So a couple of times I called Daddy's house.
Here at Culver's, we make it our mission to serve these guests the best we can. Elijah over there, he knows what I'm talking about.
I bring energy. I bring
If anybody's looking for work, I hear Culver's is hiring.
Yeah. He never returned my fucking calls or none of
You hear what is hiring?
Culver's.
So I guess
I don't know what a Culver's is, but they were there.
Is that like
That's
a
wrong.
Buc-ee's?
That's the way it go, you know what I'm saying?
I don't think so. It looked more like a White Castle or.
Oh, okay.
I'm saying he don't know what we was up against out here.
Some kind of fast food cardiac clog.
You know what I'm saying? Otherwise, we wouldn't have to put the cops on our ass. We You know what I'm saying? Because me and Suge was friends, motherfucker. We've been knowing each other since we was 9, 10 years old, bitch. I'm tripping though. Yeah. I'm kind of mad at the dude, dog. You know what I'm talking about, Puffy? Yeah, I'm kind of mad at
A little bit. Take care.
And there was never any, after you stopped trying after a while, there was never any contact.
Yeah, no contact.
Yeah. Why? Well, let's go to Biggie. So he invited you to the Peterson Museum, to that vibe party. Yeah.
Yeah.
You said there were too many people there. The feds were there.
Yeah, he said that.
Right. So that wasn't the place or the time, right?
Hell no. The FBI there, they see us together. You know, they put shit together.
But why did you go in the first place?
Why did I go? Because he kept smashing parties on me and all that. You know what I'm saying? He was literally invited. You know what I'm saying? They kind of needed us. They should have kept us. You know, because probably still be alive today. You know what I'm saying? Instead of talking about the FBI around, I guess you were scared of us. I don't know. The FBI around. I guess the FBI was going to protect it, but it don't look like they protected you because he did. You know? Then 2 or 3 days later, Sergeant Reynolds pulled up talking about we killed Biggie. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Call the people downtown, crooked cops, man. That's some bullshit, you know? Yeah.
So can you tell me definitively that you had nothing to do with Biggie's murder?
Nothing.
Can you give me a full sentence?
Nothing.
We had nothing to do with no Biggie Smalls murder. Biggie was our friend. Why would we want to kill our, you know?
Oh. So it was okay for Pac, but not Biggie. Okay. But you were there when Biggie
because
was
of the money
killed too.
All this old shit. And then the crooked cops just started feeding the other day superior's head. You know, some bullshit. They know they did that shit. You know what I'm saying? So they telling the people downtown, the FBI friends, of course to get the heat up off them. Yeah, man, we was up against it all. Even the mayor was against us.
I hear you. And when you say the money, you mean the money that was owed from Puffy?
Yeah.
Can you say that?
For the money that was owed from Puffy. Yeah.
That's why people thought that you killed Biggie.
Yeah, that's why they thought you killed Biggie. Yeah.
Is that appropriate that they suggested he say that? Like,
I don't think so.
Yeah.
I wouldn't think
Usually
that's-
you're not coaching, right?
he's coaching him on the stand.
Right.
It's kind of
Well,
weird.
he's telling this is the story, right? We're still on the audio.
Yeah,
from
he's still playing
the documentary, and
for
then
the BET doc. But I get what he's saying.
And the
because
investigator is in there, though.
Yeah, the investigator who became part of the documentary crew, who also recorded this, he recorded his own recording of this interview. They were feeding these questions through, so I don't see how. I would think that would be leading, yeah, like CossyG's saying, like he's literally.
Well, is it cross? Is it cross examination or is it direct?
Why they're playing the recording?
No, I'm saying like you can lead when you're crossing. But you can't
is leading, like they're leading him right into a trap to
Right. And the fact that this is like for the documentary, yet you got an investigator there.
Oh, it's just an interview.
Yeah.
Well, I'm sorry.
They're recording him for the documentary.
So
that they're
those rules
doing
don't apply. I'm sorry. I
what is it called?
I said those rules don't apply because it's not leading if it's just
he's not in the police station.
Okay, all right.
But he does have his lawyer with him that is also listening in while the documentary people, who one is a former detective, that's on the stand testifying to this tape for its credibility of things he said that we heard the judge say that the jury can consider or not consider. But at the same time, the lawyer is allowing them to ask these questions that are like really, it's kind of like entrapping. I agree. Even without them being on the stand, they're leading him in to talking about
it's
stuff.
weird when he says something, he gives like a 1 or 2 word answer. He's like, don't you mean something else? Or it might be along the same lines, but it's, I don't know. It's just, I found it weird, that's all.
Why did you agree to tell your story
Welcome back, Colin.
after all these years?
I agree to tell my story?
Yeah, to us. I mean, I know why you told your story to police.
Saved my fucking life. And I was really facing the death penalty. And I just didn't save my life, I saved my whole crew life.
Yep.
They just would have put down like 48 indictments. All my big hitters, all my homies, all my family, even the plugs, the Colombians. You know what I'm saying? Shit. They had our ass, dog. You know what I'm saying? So, shit. Dude said he was from D.C. Then they used the psychology game on me. You know what I'm saying? Shit. That's how they got me, man.
And to us, why did you want to tell that story to us?
I'm his heart before snoring. Remember me?
Oh, is that the little booger guy?
I'm failing.
It's the heart.
Oh, that's the
heart
heart.
failure.
Snoring's just
I like the little booger guy on the
Every time you snore, your air
Mucinex commercial.
Yeah, the Mucinex, the phlegm.
He's awesome.
The germ or the phlegm. Yeah, it's the phlegm. It's the
Yeah,
phlegm.
I got his
That is
autograph
a good
before. It's
one.
pretty cool.
Try Mucinex. Mucinex.
Yeah, I like that guy.
Star, Frenchie is trying to call numbers here again. Do you want to validate him or not? Liz, I snore. Liz, I snore. I have dentures, hemorrhoids, heartburn, indigestion. I'm fresh out of beavers and nuts, but we do have what do we got?
Venom, how could you be out of beavers?
Luckily, if you go to Buc-ee's or Bunghole Liquors, you can get those too.
And one day we'll be lucky enough to get Dickens cider.
Oh my God!
I feel we was betrayed.
It's what? It's Dickens cider.
Is that like Cracker Barrel?
Yeah.
You know, just the way we was done by the crooked cops, the media,
Hold 9,
everybody.
Venom.
You know what I'm saying? I was wronged. We was wronged, really. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, you are going to have hemorrhoid commercials now.
Dude, they come raid our house. Sugar friends come raid our house, take our guns. You know, that shit wrong. Shit just totally wrong. You know, people think we was lying about the shit. Shit just hit the fan last week. We read you right, senior and junior. That you know they did crooked. Yeah.
Tell me about that. Like, 'cause I think you touched on it, but I want to know more about like Suge enlisting crooked cops to help him out. What was that about?
I don't know what the fuck it was about. It was smart though. King move. You know what I'm saying? Shit. You know? Shit. What you do in the dark, don't come to the light. That shit is for to hit the fan. You know what I'm saying? Shit.
Wait a minute. There's got to be a bingo thing for that.
For which one, Kazi?
I don't know, compound craziness or something. He's like, whatever's in the dark must be brought out into the light. Shit hit the fan.
Oh, we can
He's
go with
mixing euphemisms, like, you know.
We can do eye rolls.
Yeah.
Or
What about that answer created 12 more questions?
there you go, 48. 48 has
48.
been called.
48.
All right, cool.
Cossy's cheating.
I'm not
No,
cheating.
you're cheating.
I'm just
Cosy,
kidding.
do you know what she did before the stream even started?
No, what'd
was
she do?
calling numbers before the stream even started. She had like 4 numbers called. We didn't even start the streamer bingo. Like we barely said hi, and Star was already like, "Yeah, Venom, put number 25 up. Like Venom, add this one."
Listen, the people were here. They were ready for
Well,
paying.
I get accused of cheating in trivia all the time because I'm so good at it. So
You'll have to come and play trivia. Do you have your own trivia? Like Traveling Fools does trivia on
no,
Sunday
I
night.
have. See, the thing is I'm really good at music trivia, but a lot of other stuff. I'm decent at other stuff, but when it comes to music, yeah, everybody complains. He's cheating. He's cheating. I'm like, okay, I'm cheating.
Kelvin said we should add swatting too. Well, I don't think it would be swatting, but we probably could add dirty cops for next week. Dirty cops.
Yep.
Sure.
Okay, so
Got
for
it.
next week so far we got oiled doors, dirty cops, Cosy nuggets.
Cosy nugs.
I'm honored. I'm honored.
Venom ailments.
Well, you know what I mean? People like my Velcro shoes.
Yeah.
Cossy's
Velcro
Velcros.
shoes.
Yeah.
Oh, Cosy, you might have some trouble there because, like, Shizzy's the owner of the helmet and the Velcro shoes, because you know he's just a tard. He's Shizzy dumb nuts.
Yeah. Well, the real Cossy, the 80-year-old prosecutor wears Velcro sneakers to court. So that's how that came about.
Always.
Yeah.
Always. You gotta wear the
And
Velcro.
Star, we got to add your biscuits. Star's biscuits.
Biscuits, yep.
Just hit them in the biscuits.
Kazi wrap. Well, see, guys, look at Kazi would have been able to give you Kazi wraps, but Star had to call that before bingo even started.
I mean,
her and
Rosalind wraps.
numbers here were like racking up the numbers before the game started.
I got some bars.
You got some bars?
Baz.
You got some bars? Oh, Kazi can rap. Let's hear some bars, Kazi.
Mm-hmm.
Jeez, you put me on the spot.
Yeah.
No, you put you on the spot.
Yeah, you said it. So
What do you want to hear?
Anything.
Anything you want.
Preferably from the 80s.
All right, from the 80s. All right. Hip hop. Hibbity hip hop, and don't stop the rockets, bang bang, do the I don't know.
Skiddly bebop, shibby do. Guess what? America, we love you. Now I am Wonder Mike, but I've brought 2 friends along. And next on the mic is my man Hank. Hank, come on and sing that song.
And the chicken tastes like wood.
Don't go over to a friend's house.
And the beaver tastes like cheese.
I'm gonna have to
the peas are mush and the chicken tastes like wood.
The chicken tastes like wood. I'm gonna have to think of something because, like,
Sugar Hill's gonna sue us.
Oh boy!
Their song.
You better not get struck.
Somebody's gonna steal it, I think, because we added our own lyrics.
You guys want to hear my? Tony Soprano impression?
Yeah. Do Tony. I love Tony Soprano.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Oh, call Carmela.
Carmela, what the fuck are you talking about? It's not the best, but
oh my god,
that is awesome.
We're gonna have to do a chaos stream, guys. Rosalind's probably looking and going, What did they get done today?
Not
We
much.
talked about amusement parks, Buc-ee's, beaver chips,
Beaver Liquor Company.
Yeah, Beaver
Soprano.
Bunghole Liquors.
Yep.
Yeah, bunghole liquors.
We talked about Dolly Parton passing. Yep.
Yep, that's right. Shout out. Well, not shout out, but rest in peace.
Shout out. Cosy shout out. Dolly.
She's no longer.
Oh, shout out to Dolly in heaven.
She's
She's
going to the big Dollywood in the sky, and she deserves
She's going to her amusement park of fame. She's going to amuse her.
traction park in the sky. Yeah, but I'm going to redeem myself on the rapping. I know I have something. I just got to think of it.
Okay.
Like some Wu-Tang or something.
Oh, some Wu-Tang.
Yeah, Wu-Tang. Venom, you know what time it is, right?
Yes, it is 2:26. I was just getting ready. The time where we're leaving off is 1:45:38.
1:45. That's fine. And then if you could just take the bingo squares and put it in the private chat so I can move it over to Rosie's, that would be good.
Yes, I will do that from the
bingo
banner.
Are you gonna send us over there on redirect, or
well, how do I do a redirect? Because like my StreamYard back is not the same as everybody else's. So
you're gonna get Venaported.
You're gonna get Venaported. Yeah, Ross said I have to do it from YouTube.
Yeah, I think it's from the studio, YouTube studio, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, I gotta do it from the studio. Okay, let's see.
I know we haven't even got one.
Is that how you do it in a redirect? It'd be the same thing, right?
Do you know how to redirect from StreamYard? I don't.
not from StreamYard. You can't.
Oh, you can't from StreamYard.
And actually, you don't do it from studio. At least I don't.
Where do you do it from?
I do it straight from YouTube.
So you go into YouTube and do what?
All right, let me do a separate thing here because I got to walk through it. All right. So I make a separate tab.
Yeah.
And I pull up YouTube. And then I go over to my, where your icon, your thing is up in the corner. Click on that. Hit your channel. I did this the other day.
Go to customize, find your video and your live.
So, okay, yeah. So you go live, you click live, right?
Okay.
And at that point, you hit customization, I believe, on the side.
Yeah, customize. Yep.
Yes.
Scroll to the bottom.
Scroll to the bottom, and then you'll see the redirect options, or you should. I maybe one step I might have missed. Might have screwed up. Is it manage videos?
No, that's manage all history.
No, I think it is manage videos, and you go to live.
Settings, okay.
And then you hover over the pencil, and then you go over to customization, you hit that. And that's not gonna work. Oh, wait a minute. It might. Hold on. No, it's not. That's not how you do it. Okay. Let me go back.
Okay. This. Well, guys, I think I'm just gonna say, go.
All right, let me put Roz's channel in.
Well, I also don't have an active live either, so it's not.
Right.
Yeah, no. When I go into my live, like I'm pulling up my mod settings when I'm in my live.
So you go to when you do it, you go to
I go to view my channel. I go to live.
Mm-hmm.
And
click on the live that you're on.
Yeah, I'm in the
right?
chat.
Hover over the pencil there, the edit thing, right? I think that's how it goes. And then go to customization.
No, I'm not getting anything.
Actually, you know what? See, Danny gave me a different way to do this. Let me do this. Don't even go to studio. Just you're in, YouTube right now.
Yeah.
And just do it through. But I'm also not. All right, hold on. I'm just through StreamYard. I don't have. So you gotta just go through regular YouTube itself, not studio. That's what the mistake I was making.
All right, go through regular YouTube.
Mm-hmm. And at that point,
I go to my own live stream.
Yeah, you go to your live stream. Click on that.
Add to save to watch later, share, save to playlist. If I click on my live stream, it takes me into chat. Oh. That's interesting.
Can you give me the bingo numbers?
Lady.
I know. Just imagine where we get over there. And
Okay, guys, just go to Rosalind Dukes. I
All
will
right.
figure out this.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
You got to click on a different link anyway.
I've been trying to figure it out. Oh my God, why am I going? No, it's not your fault.
Yeah, go straight to Fave's link. She's going to send you right to that.
You're echoing us. Or is it me?
Yeah, I screwed up. Sorry, guys.
No, it's me. Trust me, it's me. Oh. Now, what you wanted the bingo numbers that are on the stream star?
Yes. This way I got all the numbers called.
All right.
Thank you guys for bearing with us as we end one and kick off the other.
Okay. It's in private chat.
Got it.
It was me echoing. I apologize. I was echoing. All right, Star, I sent it in private chat. Guys, thank you for joining us. I don't know if I'll be on tomorrow for this court stream because Wednesdays is when I do all my shopping. So I will probably be on later tonight, and I will be on at some point either early morning or afternoon. I'll let the ladies and Kazi know. Otherwise, you guys have fun and get over to Rosalind Dukes. Check out Kazi. Check out MC CossyG. check out Starcasm FF. And thank you, mods in chat. Thank you guys for super chats and participating and playing. Thank you for derailing us.
Thank you. Thanks,
Yeah.
everybody.
Have a great evening.
They call me Double V, second name's Venom, can't you see? Neon colors, wicked grin, you don't know the trouble you're in. Every step's a little too loud, standing out inside the crowd. You think you're running this whole scene, then you notice me. Go ahead, take one more chance, step a little closer if you dare. Everybody loves the smile till they find what's hiding there. They call me Double V, second name's Venom, as you can see. If you get too close, you'll understand what that first V really means. Victory's written in my name, I don't even play fair games. Call me Double V, and remember who won.